क्या आप अपना करियर आईटी सेक्टर में बनाना चाहते हैं? क्या आप टॉप आईटी एमएनसीज में जॉब कर रहे हैं बट सैलरी मार्केट स्टैंडर्ड की नहीं मिल रही है? तो पेश है क्लाउड डेवॉप्स हब ट्रेनिंग एंड प्लेसमेंट इंस्टीट्यूट, एक ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म जहां हम देंगे आपको A to Z कंप्लीट आईटी डेवलपमेंट प्लस ऑपरेशंस प्लस 100% प्लेसमेंट असिस्टेंस प्रोफेशनल्स आईटी एक्सपर्ट्स के द्वारा, जो कि 15 प्लस इयर्स एक्सपीरियंस्ड है। यहाँ पर आपको रियल आईटी कंपनी का नॉलेज मिलेगा, प्राइमरीली ऑन AWS क्लाउड एंड टॉप 10 DevOps टूल्स और क्लाउड प्रोफाइल में बिना कोडिंग के, जिसकी फ्यूचर और मार्केट में बहुत डिमांड और सैलरी है, जो आपको बेस्ट आईटी कंपनी में बेस्ट प्रोफाइल में अपना करियर बनाने में मदद करेगा, और जहां आपको मिलेगा 24/7 कम्युनिटी सपोर्ट बाय 50,000 प्लस प्रोफेशनल्स इंस्ट्रक्टर, लाइव LED ट्रेनिंग के साथ लाइफ टाइम एक्सेस टू क्लास ट्रेनिंग रिकॉर्डिंग्स, डॉक्यूमेंट्स विथ लाइव प्रोजेक्ट टिप्स एंड ट्रिक्स फॉर DevOps एक्टिविटी, ट्रेनिंग सर्टिफिकेशन, इंटरव्यू प्रेपरेशन एंड रिज्यूम मेकिंग। आप हमारी वेबसाइट www.clouddevopshub.com पर जाकर न्यू बैचेस की इंफॉर्मेशन भी ले सकते हैं, और साथ ही लाइव ऑनलाइन डे वाइज डिटेल्ड सिलेबस भी चेक कर सकते हैं, जिसमें आप हमारे कोर्स के सारे मॉडल्स की डिटेल्ड इंफॉर्मेशन चेक कर सकते हैं कि आपको कौन सा मॉडल किस डेट को पढ़ाया जाएगा। इतना ही नहीं, आप हमारे YouTube चैनल @CloudDevOpsHub पर जाकर सक्सेस स्टोरीज, स्टूडेंट्स टॉक्स, डे वाइज लाइव सेशंस, रिकॉर्डेड लेक्चर्स के वीडियोस भी देख सकते हैं। हमारे इंस्टीट्यूट से पढ़े हुए स्टूडेंट्स मल्टीपल ऑफर्स लेकर आज टॉप मोस्ट आईटी कंपनीज में अच्छे पैकेजेस में जॉब कर रहे हैं। सो व्हाट आर यू वेटिंग फॉर? अपने करियर को एक नई पहचान देने के लिए आज ही क्लाउड डेवॉप्स हब पर रजिस्टर करें। क्लाउड डेवॉप्स हब, visit www.clouddevopshub.com. WhatsApp 9993445100.
Hello everyone and good morning and welcome to our cloud computing as well as Linux basics session, okay, which we are conducting on the 11th Feb today, which is 11 AM IST. Okay, and this session today we will start covering the cloud computing as well, plus tomorrow we will move into the Linux part as well. Okay, and before that I would like to introduce myself, who we are, what we are, why we are conducting this, everything. We'll talk with each other. Actually, this is a cloud computing and Linux workshop, which is a part of our big program. The program is AWS plus DevOps journey. Okay, what exactly it is? We are providing the very high level, good level training, real oriented, job-based, project-based training, which is divided into the multiple modules. Okay, multiple modules, I will tell you, it's a complete live online classes, 50 plus hours of instructive live LED training. Live, if I'm talking about a live, see, I am live, it's 11:10 today. Okay, and it will be a instructor based, means I will be a trainer. Whatever I have mentioned, I am providing the information related to syllabus. I will provide you all that information to you with practicals. Okay, here it will be a 40% plus 40% theory and 60% will be the complete practicals will be here. Today we are learning the cloud computing and starting the Linux as well into the tomorrow part, and then slowly we will move and learn the DevOps tools as well. What I'm giving the details. Okay, here we have the assignments as well with every module. Now module came multiple times. What exactly the module is? Let's come to our website. Okay, our website is CloudDevOpsHub.com. As soon as you will logged in into this place, you will get to know everything about us. Okay, if I'm talking about the syllabus, I am talking about this place where the syllabus is available here. You can click here and get the complete syllabus. As soon as you will click here, you will get the syllabus link, which is we have written into the Excel sheet. The reason behind it, because it's a day-wise syllabus. on what day, what we have to learn, what we are learning. It's a complete transparency will be there, that what exactly we have supposed to learn tomorrow, what we have supposed to be learn after 1 week, what we have supposed to be learn after 1 month, and it will be of around 55 or 60 days training. Okay. If I'm talking about, you can see here 51 days are straightforward with practicals, plus multiple mock interviews are there every week. Every week, Wednesday, 9 p.m. we have a mock interview sessions as well. Because whatever we are learning, let's assume within a 1 week, we learn something, right? Related to the cloud computing, related to the Linux. You can prepare that topic, give the mock interview as well. Okay. And this is a very, what we can say, very day by day syllabus. But if you want to see on a high level, what exactly we are going to learn, here is on the website itself, there is a roadmap. Roadmap means what you have to follow, what we are going to follow day by day. Okay. As soon as you will join us, we will start the DevOps foundation things. If I'm talking about the DevOps foundation, means we are talking about the DevOps, what exactly the DevOps is, why you have to make your career into the DevOps, why you have to learn the cloud computing. All these things we are discussing in the today's class as well. Plus, we will start learning of the cloud computing, servers, data centers, IaaS, PaaS, cloud computing related concept we are going to discuss in the today's class as well. That's why I'm telling it's a workshop for the cloud computing in the today's session. And then we will move into our little bit, we will start our Linux as well, how you have to start your career into the Linux, because Linux is the base. If you don't know the Linux, you are not into the IT, because all the servers backend behind is a Linux. If you will say, sir, Windows are also there, I agree with your point. 30% or 20% Windows are there, but 60 to 70% are Linux servers. You can check in your company as well. Open challenge to you, check it. Okay. And then let me know. Okay. Today you have a homework, check how many percentage of servers are available in your company in terms of Windows or Linux or any other flavor. Most will be Linux. If you want to work into the cloud, you want to handle the cloud, you want to work into the technology, then you have to learn the Linux as well. We will cover up all these things, and then we will start our journey for the AWS. Some institute I saw that they will directly jump into the AWS, and some people who don't have the base, who don't know the basics, they will not able to directly understand the cloud. Because to understand all these services, first you have to understand why these services came into the picture, right? That also I will tell you today, why this all services came into the picture, why AWS came into the picture, what was earlier, so that we will start our journey with the servers and data centers as well. Earlier it was like that. Now overcome that, what we can say, basic technology to the latest technology, this new tools came or new services came into the market. That all things we are learning. Okay. And then within the next 10 days, we will come and we will start our journey for the AWS. Now people are very much aware about it. What exactly the AWS? It's one of the cloud computing service, we can say service provider. Here we will learn the top 10 AWS services. In this top 10 services, belong to the EC2, belong to the S3, belong to the databases, belong to the networking, belong to the virtual machines, networking, and then belong to the multiple more services related to the monitoring, SNS, subscription, topics, budget, monitoring as well. Means we will cover up top 10 services of AWS in the next 20 days. Means within a 1 month duration, we will teach you cloud computing and the DevOps foundation, Linux plus AWS as well. In 1 month, you will be prepared for the AWS. After that, the journey is not yet end. You will completed the module 3 and then the core module. At this point, if we are learning, we are doing the activity in the cloud, we have to pay a services charge, or we have to take their resources. We have to learn their resources into their platform. But here the module 4 is an open source journey that is called a DevOps journey. Means here you will learn the tools, you will implement, you will learn, means you will learn how to install it, what is the use with the practicals, everything. If you will see here, every activity, every service, whatever we are learning, see practical 1, practical 2, practical 3, practical 4, everything, whatever we are learning with the help of practicals. Okay, so I would like to give my website link to you also, so that you can also open and check everything. Plus I'm giving you this syllabus link also, so that you will be very transparent from the day one what we are going to learn, what we are going to teach. Okay, I'm giving you this into the chat box. You can have copy, you can save this bookmark as well. And as per the agenda, this is a very day one. Mute yourself, please. Mute yourself as talks. Okay, as per the agenda, we will start in the next 2 days. We will complete day 1, day 2, as well as the day 4, because it's a 2.5 hour class. Okay, so day 4, day 5 also we will cover tomorrow. Means today's agenda is day 1 and day 2. We are going to cover up. Tomorrow we are covering up the day 4 and day 5 sessions. Okay, means your basics will be clear in these 2 days. And then we will come into the module 4, which is related to the DevOps. Means as a developer, what you have to be know, that all things, because in the keyword DevOps, 50% is development, 50% is operation. So my course is also belong to that. This part belong to the development, Git as well as Jenkins. Okay, development, don't always think that development means writing the code. No, development means setting infrastructure, making the things is also known as development. You can develop the house also. Okay, it's not like with the help of coding we can develop the house. No, developing a infra is also a development part. That type of development we are going to teach you. Okay, writing a code is always a developer job. That will be a technology base, but we are not writing the code. If we are aware about the coding, it will be good for us to add to get the more money. Okay, but for the DevOps profile, writing a code is not the only job. They have a lot of other works as well. I will teach you everything. Okay, plus we will come into the module 5 related to the Docker and Kubernetes. After developing a things are moving, means applications are moving into the containerized way. So Docker is coming into the picture. With the help of Docker, we will understand how the container has to be created. After creation of containers, how it has to be run into the Kubernetes. What all things we are learning, it's everything has been mentioned here. Means we will spend a 1 week or 1+ week or 6 to 7 classes here in the Docker and Kubernetes, especially for the experience purpose as well. Okay, these all things are primarily for the freshers, to means from 0 level to the level 3 and 4 years experience. Okay, means if you don't have any knowledge, you will understand everything. If you have a knowledge, if you have experience but you don't have knowledge, that also will be helpful, because we are covering the experience level things as well, so that in your profile you can add the experience as well with this practical knowledge. Okay, then we will come into the module 5 Docker and Kubernetes. Then we will move into the module 6, that is Ansible and Terraform, developing an infrastructure with the help of code. Again the code came, but code, you don't have to write it. You have to get the trick to understand the code and to bring the code, because every code is already available into the Terraform repositories. Libraries are there, modules are there. You have to use it, and with the help of that you will see it in the today, or maybe in the tomorrow starting of the class. I will show the practical with the help of DevOps tools, how things are easy, or even in the today's session also. Okay, today at the end of the session, definitely we will do the practical, and you will see the things means you will see the things related to the Docker, you will see the things related to the virtual machine in the today's class itself. It's my commitment. Okay, after that we will develop the infra. Then we will move into the module 7, which is related to the monitoring. Means here, if you will see here, around 40 days we are developing the things. Okay, and then after developing, who will do L1 L3 support work or operation kind of work will also come. Yes, then operation kind of work will also be there, which I am going to teach you into the couple of days, day 43 44. Okay, after that there is a very good day will come, which is a student choice. Let's assume you are matured in the 40-45 days. After the maturity, you went for the interviews. Definitely you will went for a lot of interviews. Okay, I will show you where my students are giving the interviews. Okay, CLSS classroom, this is my classroom. Okay, which we are using a Google LMS product. Okay, if you will see, my students are started giving the interviews for my previous batch. Okay, see, their resumes has to be get reviewed. Okay, and what exactly it is? Referral 5+ experience, that is for on-site opportunity, that is for Royal Park into the Saudi. If you are also prepared, you feel that you are prepared, you want to go for this opportunity, take this email address. Okay, send your profile with all these details. to him, you will get a call. Inform to me also that, sir, I have sent my profile to this person, Mastani. Okay. Then what he will do, I will tell him that, yeah, he's a trained person and you can check his resume. So they will check your resume and they will give a call. For my student, I'm explicitly selling these are the trained candidates, which has around whatever is their real experience, and they are getting a call. Plus, it's not like only one company. We have a permanent work from home opportunity also from the Synchron, which is primarily looking for this thing, which is posted on 8th Feb, not very long back, 4-5 days back only. Okay, some students send it for this, sharing directly their mobile number for the HRs as well. If you are not getting a call, you can concern with that because they know us. We have a direct configuration, direct discussions with them. You can directly call them. You can inform that, sir, we are from the Cloud DevOpsHub training and I have sent it your resume. They will verify that into their database that they get a name from my side. If they will get a name from my or my team side, they will give a call to you. Okay. And multiple, I think lots of students are aware about that Infosys, right? Infosys on the 4th Feb, there is a bulk drive happen for the 0 to 5 years. I think some students are from my group as well. Anyone from my already group? Any of from my WhatsApp group in this? Ritu.
Yes, because I'm there.
Correct. Ritu, I posted anything related to the Infosys in groups?
Yes, you have posted.
What I have posted, can you please let us know to everyone?
We have actually opening on that
Correct.
Infosys, and the interviews also some call people are got already.
Correct. Lots of students have given the call as well. And guys, give me one day. Okay, I will check today how many some students get the offers or not. Okay, or the manager round happen with that. Okay, that still I haven't get much information about it. Some student has informed that they have a second round also. Some student tell that no sir, only one round. It's went very well. We are waiting for the HR response. I said okay, let's wait. Give a 1 week time at least because this thing happened into the February only. Okay, so they will get to know a lot of things. Okay, if you are ready, prepared. Okay, for the DevOps, you are feel free to go there as well. These are my students. This is my latest batch, and we are lots of opening into the TCS as well. Means students are started going into the interviews as well. And if you went for the interview, some interviewer asks something which you are not aware of, which is not in my syllabus. No worries. You can let me know that I would like to learn this thing, sir. This has been asked into the interview. My previous best student told that, sir, we would like to learn the migration. I told not a big deal. Okay, we have decided that we would like to learn the migration. Then this thing happened 2-3 days back only. Okay, see, migration, student has told that migration. Okay, and let's find out how migration works. This happened in our actual classes as well. How migration works. Some student tell that, sir, apart from your syllabus, we would like to learn the Splunk as well. I tell not a big deal. We will learn the Splunk installation and Splunk extra videos. Why I have teach that Splunk? The reason is they are providing the free global certification at this time. Okay, free global certification means you will get a certificate also. Sharad, mute yourself. You will get a free global certification, which will be very helpful to ask some more package. Okay, that's why some students are going to write this certification free of cost. Okay, so that's why we teach the Splunk as well to our student. Ritu, you have any question? Your hand is up.
Yes, because actually I just wanted to know this migration. Actually, why means I'm going to migrate some project for complete means DevOps.
No
so
worries.
what exactly you are giving in the migration topic?
See, Ritu, I can't explain everything at this point. You can understand, right? If you want, just give me your email address. I will give you the access for the migration video. Is that fine?
Yeah.
Which we have,
sure.
which we have learned 3 days back only. I will show you. Okay.
Yeah, sure.
It is. See, Splunk installation migration, which happened on the 10th Feb, yesterday only, which we have learned it. Okay. So if you want, just ping me your email address. Okay, on my WhatsApp. I will give you the access. Okay, this is from the batch 28. You can just have a look.
Yeah, sure.
Okay, cool. Guys, be mute yourself. If you want to see what exactly I have teach to them, I can give the detail at the end of that schedule. Okay, not now.
Sure, Vikas. Thank you.
Cool. Yeah. Okay, so this is a very important session, guys. The reason is you will be matured in next 40 days and you are telling me that, sir, this is also a new technology. Can you bring someone from the external, or if you have the things, can you teach that also? Yes, definitely. We are ready for that also. We will teach that. It's a 1 day, 2 day, doesn't matter, but we will teach that topic also. Okay, with practical. Plus some are programming also required. Okay, little bit basics of programming understanding is required to get a more package. Yes, definitely we are teaching the shell scripting as well. We are teaching the Python as well, primarily for the experienced person as well. Then the day come in between that we have to do the projects as well. Yes, there are 3 real-time projects also, which we are going to teach to you. One is completely on the DevOps CI/CD. One is completely on the Kubernetes with multiple technology, Java, Python, Go, and .NET. Okay. And then another project is completely based on AWS, which is in the AWS, we are going to develop 40 different resources. Guys, 40 resources are very high number. Okay. Most of the company, you will see 5 to 10 resources using into the AWS, or 5 to 10 services using in AWS. But my project based on 40 different AWS resources, which we are going to learn, and we will explain you everything with practical. We will share the complete code as well. If you want, you need a code, you can get it from our GitHub repo as well. Free of cost. We are not charging anything for the code. Okay. See, here is the code. I will give you the best 28 repos as well. Some commands, whatever we have learned till now, this all details are available here also. Grafana setup, complete code, step-by-steps are there, which we are, means this is a classroom code, which I have written, I have typed it, and I have showed it to you. Everything is available into the PPT for them. You don't have to worry. You can see here, all these batch 20 drive PPTs links are available into this place. Whatever you will see into my screen, everything has to be provided to you guys. Best 28 videos, whatever the classes happen. Okay, live classes recording, we are recording every classes, and we are providing as soon as the class will get complete, they are getting the.
Is this all free of cost, or we need to enroll in the course?
Shad, this is a workshop is completely free of cost. The classroom are different. Okay,
No,
which you
are showing on the
classroom
screen.
This is classroom program.
Okay.
This is classroom program. I will give the detail about that also in just 5 minutes. Okay. Yeah. And what exactly it is, we are going to learn the projects also, multiple projects plus interview preparation and going for the job as well. Guys, I hope you understood about the syllabus. What exactly to become a DevOps, to become a cloud engineer. Yes, you have to learn all these things. Okay, to become a cloud DevOps engineer. Cool. Let's come into this place. As per our today's agenda, this is the thing which we have to learn it today. Cool. Let's go more deeper into it. Okay, I will take care of all your why, what happened, who, when, all questions. Just give me little bit some time. Okay, so that first listen me for some couple of minutes, and I will give an opportunity to you to talk as well. Is that fine? Agree?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Right. If you will not give a time, it will be a full mashup here. Right. Let's listen me. Your all question will be cleared in some couple of. Okay. Cool. We are 24/7 community as well as a group support. Okay. What exactly it is? You can see here. If you will see my WhatsApp. Okay, these are our batch 20 students. Okay, this is just I have posted, and you can see here we are discussing, we are providing lots of opening into this place. We are hiring for the senior DevOps engineer, applied it, which has been posted yesterday only. Okay, so we are discussing lots of things into the internal groups as well. Plus, you can see here, if any student is facing any of the problem, they are raising the issue into the group as well, and we are helping each other. Okay, see, is there any connected, check in the internal communication, AWS command connect, and like that, all the things will be get resolved into the group as well. Okay, so every batch we have a small group which we are conducting for our students, and all students, whoever is registering with us, I have to save. I am saving everyone's number. See, batch 28, batch 28, batch 28 students, like that. Okay, and our groups are not big groups. Okay, it's a very small 10 to 15 members max. Okay, with some admins also will be there, and max 10 to 15, and somewhere old students also there. It's not like that every new student is only joining. Some old student who missed their classes by any reason, they are also joining us free of cost. Means if you join us and you are coming into the next batch also, we are not charging anything. The reason is you are already my student, so how can I charge you again? No. Okay, if you are coming into the next batch also, it's a free of cost. Okay, and we will provide you all the lifetime access for the training, documents, recordings, everything. How lifetime access? The reason is here because everything will get uploaded into the Google Drive, and you can make the shortcut into your drive as well. And this all documents available for you. This is not my document. These are the best student document. As soon as the topic is getting completed, their topic or their PPT is getting added here. Okay, all the documents will be here, where you can see here some actual dummy resumes also there, because they have to create their resume as well. We are making the resume making class as well. Ebooks, some extra students are there. They want handwritten notes. They need a notes. You can see here some notes we are providing also, which are handwritten and very easy to understand that part, because some students are very dependent on the notes. Okay, so we are providing that type of notes also for their understanding for every topic, whatever is available in our syllabus. Plus, this also extra thing. These are the extra things. My PPTs are always there. My PPTs means if anyone can choose any topic from here, guys, anyone from here, choose any topic. Anyone, raise your hand, please. That's sir, I want to see your PPT for this topic. Anyone, please. Any experienced person who are understanding any of the technology or terminology here, you want to see the syllabus, you want to see the detail, and feel free. Yep. Who is that? Saurabh, you want?
Yeah. Yes.
Saurabh, tell me the topic name, please. Any topic.
About Docker.
Cool. Very good. Okay. I'm opening my drive. Okay. Where is my drive? My drive is here. Okay. This is my drive where all the documents are for students. I'm opening my Docker PPT. Where is my Docker, Git, Jenkins, and the Docker will come into the picture. How we will start our journey. Okay. If you are a little bit aware about Docker, can you give a little bit half-line definition?
The Docker is used for containerization too.
Okay, cool. Okay, see, very good answer. Before going into the Docker, we are not directly jumping into the Docker. First, we will teach you the virtual machine. We will teach you the virtualization, virtual machine, types of virtual machine, where you can create a virtual machine into the Google Cloud, Azure, AWS. We will teach how the virtual machine has to be get created with the help of hypervisor, with practical everything. Why the virtual machine is getting failed and the Docker came into the picture. Okay, then we will start our Docker topic. Okay, introduction to Docker, what are nodes, shipping containers, developer use case, and lot of things you will see here with labs and practical everything. What is virtual machine, how the virtual machine has look like, how the architecture of virtual machine, what are the advantage, what are the disadvantage of virtual machine, how locally we can create a virtual machine, how on the cloud we can create a virtual machine. Then this all are step by step. You can download this, you can download this image and this all things, and your virtual machine will be ready. Then this all the setup related to the Oracle VirtualBox, a traditional way 5 years back, how people are doing it. Okay, what is the problem? When there is a problem, what is the solution came into the market? Okay, this was the problem that you want to move from one place to another, but there how you can move it with the IT technology, it was very difficult. Virtual machine size is very big. Docker is bringing all these components over the head inside a container and going from one place to another. That's the actual use of Docker. We will see container, how to create a container, what was the development problem, what is the solution. Then like all these things, what exactly the Docker is. Then we will understand the terminologies, definitions, and then we will move into the installation of Docker into the local machine, for Windows, for Ubuntu, for direct playground as well. Okay, all three. This playground I will teach you today as well. Okay, into the today's session, we will install the Docker in our today's session as well. Okay, around within half an hour or within 1 hour, we will start learning the Docker, very high level on the Docker as well into the today's session. You told that, that's why let's come into the Docker itself. Okay, and trust me, you will understand everything. Plus what exactly the node is, what all commands are there, all these things, and then architecture of Docker. Then we will come into the practical. It's a 5-day sessions, right? So it will go in all these things. Very first container, second container, third container, comparison, commands, practical 3, practical 4, practical 5, Docker file, commands, lot of extra documents, what exactly your role. Okay, then extra commands, extra architecture, cheat sheet, plus how the monitoring of Docker will happen, how the cleaning of Docker will happen, and what is the next step after this. It's a complete package will be there for Docker. Who has asked this question? Saurabh, right? Saurabh, are you okay? This much is more than enough?
Yes, yes.
Right? So
Yeah.
every topic is like this, guys. It's not only one topic. You can, anyone else can choose any of the topic. I will show my PPT, what all things we are going to learn. Any other topic, guys, I'm okay. Anyone, please, from any
Ansible.
topic.
Can you please select Ansible?
Sure. This is Divya, right? I'm opening the Ansible related documents as well. Ansible. Okay. If you anyone will give a one-line answer, what exactly the Ansible is? One line answer.
It is a configuration management tool.
Correct. Your answer is absolutely agree. My starting things will happen with the configuration management only, because some students don't know what is configuration, right? What is configuration management? We will give this details. Okay. Earlier, people has to do manual things. Now, with the help of Ansible, we don't have to do the manual activity. Chalo. Can anyone give me the answer? What is the use of Ansible? Who has asked this question? Divya, right? Divya, can you tell me the answer why the Ansible is required?
Without Ansible, we need to configure the machines manually. For example, if we need to install Nginx on the machine, then we will need to do it manually. With Ansible, we can simply push the code and install the Nginx
Your
on
answer is
Linux
not
server.
100% correct. If you want to do it, the activity on 100 machines, okay, then Ansible will be very helpful. One machine, you have to do manual setup, and all the 99 machine, it will perform the activity automatically. That is the use of Ansible. Agree with my point?
Is it like mirroring?
Can you repeat it? No, there is no mirroring. We have to write the script. In that script will perform the activity. That is known as configuration management. We have to do the configuration into the script. That is known as playbook. Chalo, leave it, park it. Okay, see, he want to see the Ansible PPT. I'm showing. We will start with the configuration management, where the configuration, all this configuration has to do it. Then we will come into the Ansible picture. What exactly the Ansible? Ansible is an open source configuration management, application deployment management, and operation tool. Okay, I am taking only one line definition here. Ansible is very simple, powerful, and agentless. How Ansible means common terms related to the Ansible, master, target, and all these things. Then where the Ansible can be used, it can be used in all these places. Okay, how Ansible works. What is the Ansible architecture? Okay, all these architectures will be here. Then we will make this type of infra setup. What exactly it is? We will create Ansible master. We will create some target machine, and we will run the command from here, and it will perform the activity in all the machines. That's the actual use of Ansible. We will develop this infra, and here is the details. Okay. Step part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4, part 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Around it's distributed into the 10 parts. Part 1, create a 3 virtual machine or Docker container. These are the command. Then Ansible is required. Do the installation of Ansible. Plus, if any issue happen related to Python or dependencies, we have to fix this as well. Then part 3 will come. Create the target machines. Set up the target machine. All these things means all the concepts, whatever we are learning in the couple of days, everything will be here. It makes sense? Divya, this is only you are expecting or more than that?
Yes, it's fine.
No, it's not fine. There are a lot of things into the Ansible which we are covering. Okay. Then we how to validate that part. Ansible, how to write the Ansible playbooks. Then Ansible roles. Okay. Lots of example related to the Ansible roles. All the code is available into the GitHub. I'm teaching it. Okay. Plus how to create a new roles. This is a very advanced topic. 5 years plus experienced people also don't know, who are really working into the Ansible also. Okay. Then this, how, if any issue happen, how to fix it, what all the curls command, and Ansible some more commands or some more documents which will be available here. This all things we are going to learn into the Ansible topic. So it's like that we have everything. Okay, we are going into the order slowly, and we will make a DevOps engineer. Is that fine?
Yes.
Cool. Yep. And this all recordings, whatever class recording will happen, it will be for you lifetime. You don't have to worry. All the PPTs recording, PPT documents.
Please explain Linux.
Linux is tomorrow, not today.
Okay,
Linux will be tomorrow. Okay. Automatically it will come. I don't have to show it explicitly.
Okay, thank you.
Cool. And it's all the things will be LED. Wasim, mute yourself, please. All the things will be LED live training. My eye will be always on the camera. Okay, with you. No worries. All the tips and tricks related to activities we will discuss. Lots of interview questions, preparation scenarios will be here. After the training, yes, we will provide you the training certificate as well. Plus resume making, resume preparation, mock interviews, everything will be taken care on every Wednesday, 9 p.m. Okay. Because everyone will not do in one shot, right? Everyone will not come into one place, right? Everyone, all the students, 2 to 3 students will every day or every week they will create, and we will complete all the 10 students in the next 2 months. That's our motto. Okay. Because resume, I have to invest a time with you. I have to explain what wrong into your resume. So that will be apart from the class, which is into the evening time. Sanpati, you have a doubt? Yes, go ahead. What's your doubt?
Thank you, sir.
Yep.
Sir, actually, my problem is new into this IT support.
Okay.
Before that, I used to work in a cards.
Yep. Complete your point. Where you are working before? Sanpati, your voice is not coming properly.
Everything is new to me. However, I completed my Google IT certification.
Okay.
And everything is new to me here.
Correct.
Can I join into your training? Can I become a better person? Because I have a zero knowledge about everything. Whatever you tell me, I have a zero knowledge.
I agree, because that's why we are starting from the very basic. Today, if today class you will not understand, at the end of the today's session, you can say that, sir, I haven't understood today's session. Is that okay? After tomorrow, you can let me know that, sir, I haven't understood your last 2 classes. I'm out. I will be agree. Okay. We are not charging anything for you at this point.
Sir.
Yep. Sanapati, is that okay?
So I have the same question like Sanapati.
Wasim, can we park it little bit later on? Half an hour. I will give you opportunity. Is that fine?
Okay, sir.
Okay. Yeah, please. Cool. Okay. And we will help you out with the resume preparation. If you have a zero knowledge, you don't have to worry. We are starting from the zero. Our journey is starting from the zero only. I'm considering everyone have no knowledge. You don't know anything at this point. You are coming to us for the learning purpose only. That's your primary intention. Correct? So you don't have to worry. You will be definitely learn a lot every day with us. I will show my reviews as well. Okay. What our students are giving the reviews. Okay. I will show. No worries. Okay. Who we are from the Cloud DevOps Hub. You can see our company, our website, which is here. This is my mobile number. Anytime you are, feel free to message me anytime. Okay. Plus, we are from the Facebook community. We have a Facebook community of around 53,000 members. Okay. This is the DevOps Engineer. Okay. Profile. This is the DevOps Engineer group, where you can see we are the 53,000, and this is the person is me who is giving the training to you. Okay. I'm into the admin group of this. Okay. We are maintaining 53,000 people here. Okay. All the events, you can see a lot of posts and everything from me into this group as well. Okay. And this is our community. You are feel free to join. I'm giving you this link as well. Feel free to join to get some more information about us. These are the 53,000 members are available here. Okay. And you will see a lot of things related to the DevOps, some documents, lot of pullings, knowledge, extra things. See this type of what we are doing, right? Our workshop, this all details are also here. We are 53,000 members at this point. Okay. So you are not alone. Okay. We are providing 24-hour community support primarily on the WhatsApp. You can see here lots of WhatsApp messages are here. I am talking with every student every time. Whatever the student has registered with us, I have saved everyone's number. You can see here in the group. If you are into the group, you can see all the students are here. Okay. All the students' names has been saved with their number as well. And I'm talking personally with every student. You will not get this type of opportunity outside. Okay. The trainer will never be available in front of everyone. Okay. Trainer's number will not be available anywhere. But we are the community. We are helping each other with the community. So our things are always available into the internet. Okay. Biggest benefit what we are providing to you, if you miss any of our batch, let us assume you join our batch and by any reason you are into the support profile, you went out, you went to hometown, any of the reason, if you are not available, you can join my another batch as well. The next upcoming batch is always free for you. Let us assume you are joining my batch 29, 30th batch is always free for you. You don't have to ask anything. You can register free of cost and you can join us. It's a training provided by me. I have around 11 years of professional experience into the cloud and DevOps technology. Okay. All the interview preparation, career growth activities, we will take care. Tips and tricks related to the AWS and DevOps, everything has to be performed into this online classes. Yep. And we are starting our journey with very basic. We don't need your previous experience. Okay. If you have your previous experience, it will be add-on to ask the good package. If you don't have knowledge, you are coming from the non-IT background as well, that is also enough, because we are starting our journey from very, very basics. Okay. And you will understand everything. We are going to teach you the DevOps tools and their operation into the AWS cloud. Means we are teaching multiple DevOps tools and their operation into the AWS cloud. Primarily, our cloud for this course is the AWS cloud. Plus, for extra knowledge, we are using the Google Cloud as well. In the syllabus, you will see somewhere some Google related things also there. The reason behind it, why Google? Because Google is also very matured in terms of Kubernetes. You can see here. In terms of Kubernetes, Google is very mature. So we are learning the Kubernetes into the Google Cloud as well. So that not only one cloud you will understand the dual cloud. 2 clouds you will learn in our course. Cool. Okay. And it's a challenging journey, is obviously a challenging. Okay. But the course has been created like that. From the starting, you will understand everything. Basic IT knowledge will be helpful, but we will explain everything. Let us assume I created a group of 10 people. 10 people are from different domain. Okay, let us assume 2-3 people are from the support background. 2-3 people are from the QA background. QA people, what exactly they did in last couple of 2-3 years, they will explain to everybody, and IT people will explain to what exactly they are doing into the real time, so that they will explain to other people. Everyone will be aware, because DevOps is a overall journey. It's not like that you have to work into one single domain. You have to be knowledgeable into the another domain. That's the actual thing for the DevOps. Sushil, keep yourself into the mute at this point. Okay, we will cover up the top DevOps tools as well as the top AWS services. Freshers, IT beginners also welcome, but it will take a time. It's not a race. Okay, it's a journey. We have to complete the things and we have to grow. Learn by doing practicals. Assignment is the key learning. Practicals, we have to perform the practicals, because in our syllabus, you will see lot of practicals are there, around 25 plus practicals. You can see here 24 practical, some number is not correct, but this is practical 25. You can see a practical 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, around 30 plus practicals are there with real-time projects. Cool. And definitely 40% will be a theory and 60% are the practical scenarios which we are going to discuss. Prerequest, absolute beginner are welcome, because we are journeying our journey from the absolute beginner. And we will cover up a lot of things into the AWS and to the cloud knowledge as well. We will start from the basic cloud computing, and enough knowledge we will provide with the real-time scenarios. You don't have to worry. My intention is here, we are creating a big group. Okay. Plus, we are creating a small individual targets who are interested to learn or want to become a cloud DevOps engineers. Okay. Intention is this. Someone is asking how to contact me. My number is always available into the WhatsApp, into my website, 9993445100. You can message me. I will get the message. Okay. Cool. This is about me. I am certified into the Google Cloud as well as AWS on the architect level. I have a Kubernetes administration certificate as well, that is CKAD, plus I am the Linux certified as well. I'm working as a senior cloud architect into one of the big MNC. I'm a corporate trainer. I'm a mentor. Okay. I think some students know me from a very long. Anyone here who knows me from 2 years back or 3 years back in this group? No one? I know some people. Yeah.
Yes,
Mm,
I saw you somewhere in the videos only on YouTube also, I believe.
How many years back?
No, recently.
Okay, recently, yes, my videos are available on YouTube as well. I agree. Okay, Ritu, I know you. Ritu,
Yes, I was an old batch
how much?
around 4 years back, not 4 years, 3 years back.
Correct.
Then I started my DevOps career on that, but again
Cor-
I switched.
Correct. See, I know Ritu. Okay, if you are not trusting me, I can show
Yes,
it. Ritu,
yes.
RITU. Okay,
Means
Ritu,
because
see,
it's
Ritu
always
Rani.
available.
See, Ritu
Whenever
Rani,
you
batch number 13. Okay, when she, sorry, this details are not coming, but she is from batch 13. Okay, I know her from the last 4 years. And there may be chances that I know a lot of people or you know me from the couple of years, because earlier I was going into the companies and I was giving the corporate trading. Okay. And we are creating the seminars there. So hundred or thousands people are there, where I went into almost lot of big MNCs, mostly into the Bangalore. Okay, so at this point we are making the things online. After COVID, we make the things online. So, and I'm a mentor for the individuals as well. Earlier I was a corporate trainer, but now I'm a mentor for the individuals as well. Okay, we publish lots of articles, blogs over the internet as well. Okay, we are 24/7 community support, 100% placement assistance. You will get PPT materials, everything will be available into the drive. All end-to-end AWS tools plus AWS focus training plus DevOps focus training we are providing with multiple live projects with multiple assignments. Okay, you will get it. And biggest point, if you miss any of the batch, let's assume you join me, you missed it, you can come to my another batch as well, free of cost. I will not charge anything. Okay, is that okay? Any question till now?
No.
Any question, guys? At least one question, please.
Hello.
Yeah, hello, Pranav.
Yeah, sir, you said that 100% placement assistance, but I want that 100% placement guarantees from you.
Pranav, you have
Yes.
to give me a mock interview, just one. Okay, I will
Yeah.
give you how much is your rating, straightforward. Okay, how much you are prepared. As soon as you are prepared, I will give 100% guarantee to you. You will get a job, or I will get a job for you. But you have
Yeah,
to
but
you have to prove
yeah,
yourself.
and
Without
you said
knowledge,
that,
no one will get a job. Simple.
and you said that lifetime access. So that means once the interview is clear,
Yep.
then after that interview, also you
Man,
give me the access lifetime.
see, this is Google Drive. Okay. As soon as you will log in with your Google Drive, there is a shortcut option. You can make a shortcut, add to shortcut to your drive. The details will come into your drive. Why you are worried? Is that fine? This all PPTs, everything is in Google Drive, right? So you can see this link is always accessible for you. We will provide you the access like my student here. Okay. See, this is me. My students, all the students is here who has provided the access. Okay.
Also, I am the data scientist and data engineer.
Yep.
So along with that, AWS and you said that
Cloud.
Kubernetes and all that.
Correct.
So yeah, if I switch my profile,
you are already a data scientist, man. If you are a good data scientist, don't come into this profile. No. If you are already into the good place.
No, I am now in the support. In that I am now database administrator.
Okay. Don't change your profile again and again, please. Data scientist to database administrator. If you are a database administrator, your career is into the trouble. Switch your profile at this point, because database or data science, what we can say, database administrators jobs, we DevOps engineer already eaten. Okay. And whatever the things you were doing it, I'm already teaching all these things into the day 16.
Yeah, but I also know that SQL development also, and also along with that data engineering. But currently I am in the.
How much is your experience? How much is your experience?
Now I just joined the company. In that they give me the role of database administrator. I want that.
Then how you are a data scientist?
Yeah,
If you
but
don't have any experience.
no, I am certified in that data scientist.
Certification doesn't matter until unless you have a knowledge. Zero weightage for certification if you don't have a knowledge.
No, I also done the one project on that deep learning by using object detection.
Pranav, if
Yeah.
you already know the things, you have a certification, don't come to this. Okay, make your career into that only, because this is again a new thing for you. I'm
Yeah.
actually telling to you. Okay, don't
Yes,
learn
yes.
every year or every 6 months new technology. No, it will not be helpful for you. If you want to forget everything, you want to come here, it's a really very, very good technology. Okay, cloud and DevOps is the future for everything. Because every company you will see, people are moving into the cloud, technologies are moving into the cloud, your database is also moving into the cloud. Correct?
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Because I have one question here.
Yeah, Mosem, go ahead.
Because see, like I am working as a Linux admin only for Volvo.
Okay.
Right now, from 3 years, I'm into same team and same project. Okay, now I'm feeling like
for you, definitely you
yeah.
have to switch your profile. Okay, because only Linux will make a Linux admin or Linux support engineer only, or application level engineer only, right?
Yeah, that is what. And again, like where I'm getting stuck, like we are working in shifts and all weekends, work, patching
And
activities.
every manual activities you are doing it. You are not
Yes,
using any
yes.
tool. Correct? Yes.
Correct.
For you, 100% you have to move into this profile. Okay. The reason is you are already IT support engineer. Correct? And
Correct. That's it.
they have to move into this profile. The reason is your future is here, because everything is moving into the cloud. If you want to upgrade yourself, you have to learn the cloud as well as some DevOps tool, and easily 50% operation part, you are already aware about it. You have to just learn more 50% and you will be a DevOps engineer. Why I'm saying that person to be, because he's a data scientist. Okay, I don't know, but yeah, he's telling he's a data scientist. That's why I'm not taking him.
Yeah. No, because again, what happens, in that project also, we were like set the boundaries. Even we do not have any much sudo access also there.
Correct. They will not see you are a support team. You are a L1, L2, L3 team. They will not provide
L1, L.5. Yeah.
Correct. They will not provide access to you. Okay.
It's like once we receive the alert, we have to create the ticket and we have
you
to
are
check
into,
the file
don't
system.
say you are a support engineer. You are into the
files,
L1 only. If you are dealing with the alerts, you are still into the L1 profile only. You must have to join this. Okay.
Yeah.
Guys,
because
one second, please.
Because
one second, guys, let me complete the things. Your answer will be already here. Okay, we will talk.
Okay, because I'll complete myself as soon as possible. So because I have joined late, so what is the duration of this one?
This is 2.5 months. The syllabus is here every day, 1.5 hours. The class will be there, and 2.5 months we have to be required to complete all these things.
Because actually, like, yeah.
Please, one by one.
Because what is the fee of the DevOps plus AWS courses?
Fees is 22,000 rupees. It's a paid training course.
22,000. Okay.
And based on the quality, based on everything, it's a very less. You will go somewhere, you will learn AWS in 15,000, you will learn DevOps in 15,000, and you will end up with nothing. Okay, just 20 hours of recording videos or 20 to 30 hours of classroom, they will give it. No one will provide you this type of what we are going to learn every day. Okay, you can check any syllabus. Open challenge.
Okay.
One thing.
Because one more question, do DevOps engineer also works in shift, night shift or early morning shift?
Not night shift. It's a depends. Our tools will work into the shifts. We will not. We will schedule the activity and they will do the work for us.
Okay.
We don't have to. Okay. Secondly, and we have a YouTube channel also. Guys, we have a YouTube channel. You can see here, okay, what my student says about us, about course. Okay. I will give you the link. It's already in our website. You can come into my website and you can see here. You can see some recordings of my previous batches as well. Some 4 or 5 classes are available into this place. Okay. You can see the recording of my previous batches here. Some 4 or 5 classes here. After 30 days, also we will make one class available into the YouTube. How much a student has learned in the next 30 days. Okay. How much technically student learn in the 30 days. Okay. Placements, all these recordings are available here, the classroom recordings. Okay. How many students are getting placed? What is the success story? Kavita, please mute yourself. At this point, just wait. Okay.
Okay.
Details are available here. Plus, no one will provide you after the training how students are satisfied with the training. We are providing that thing. You are feel free to check every batch. Okay. You can see here batch number 22, 23, how much students are satisfied, how much call they got, where they reach in next 2 months or 3 months, 4 months. All these details are here. This is not new. All 11 month, 10 month, every 1 month, one video is going to become here. Okay, so you can see here every 1 month students are coming into this place, how many students are getting placed. Even today also I can show how many students got placed. Okay, I will show. Just give me 5-10 minutes, just give me some time. Okay, you will see everything. Let me complete this point. Who can become a DevOps engineer? IT support engineer, you are already into the operation. Yes, you can move into the DevOps profile. Manual tester, you are already into the development part. You know how developer works. Okay, you know how the things move into the support. You are already a part of software development life cycle. Manual tester, your career is into the trouble if you are not into the automations. Okay, you must have to move into the another profile. Support engineers, if you always want to do the night shift, you want to always work into the very less package, you have to move into the another profile. Okay, Linux admin, any of the administrator. Okay, it can be any administrator. If you are particular to the one technology, your future is not in very good direction. After 5 years, after 10 years, who will give you 30 lakh, 40 lakh package? No one will give you. If after 5 years, you need a 20 lakh package or 30 lakh package, you have to learn the things. You have to grow yourself. Okay, automation engineer, developers. If you are very good in writing the code, then I will not tell you to understand the DevOps or cloud. If you're not writing good into the writing the code, you must have to learn the things which tools will do for us. Here, tools are doing activity for us. Okay, that's why I'm telling come into the DevOps profile. Network engineer, you are only into one profile, networking. Okay, networking is very good if you are to reach till CCNA level. If you are not into the CCNA level, you must have to understand some more things. Networking, routers and IP addresses are not enough. There are a lot of things you have to learn. You have to learn not the traditional networking, you have to learn the cloud networking. Okay, that's why I'm telling you have to come into this, because we are going to teach you the networking as well into our networking classes. Where is our networking classes? These are our networking classes. Okay, VPC, CIDR, calculation, subnet, internet gateway, net gateway, VPC endpoint, routers, table, security, NSCL, peering, everything we are going to teach you into the networking classes as well. Okay, that's why I'm telling you must have to come into this profile. And why I'm interested to pull freshers also. Freshers, if you will not learn now, after 5 years, you will realize that, sir, I'm still in 5 lakh package or still I'm in 10 lakh package. Right? If you know the technology now, you will be into the good profile from the year 1 as well. And if you need a job, see, let us assume fresher, if you don't have any knowledge, you are not from the CSIT background, you are into the very big MNC, then also is the problem. You will get up with the L1, L3 support as well. If you know the things, if you know the technology, you will be into the good place after 1 year, after 2 years. If you are not trusting me, no worries. You can check some freshers who get a very good job. Okay, see here, non-tech fresher who placed in Paytm. Okay, he don't know anything, but he got placed into the Paytm. I talk with him again and again. I'm gathering the information what you are doing at this point. Okay, his name is Ankit. You must have to check his video. Okay, which we have put it here. Okay. This is not my, this is advertisement.
He got a booking of.
We are not doing like this.
Around
Okay. Mine is always straightforward. It's a YouTube class, straightforward class recording. Okay. So you can see here my recordings here. Okay. Ankit, fresher with zero experience, he get a job. I'm giving you all these links, guys. You must check all these things into the YouTube. You will get the details about us. Okay, why I'm pulling the freshers? Because you have to be into the good place after, not today, from the day 1 itself, your job will be into the good place. Okay, that's why I'm pulling the freshers as well. The person who is intended to learn, who want to come into the technology, who want to become a DevOps engineer, who want to learn into the cloud, yes, you are welcome for my batch. Okay, some FAQs. We are starting our batch on 25th Feb, 22nd of January, February 2023. Okay, why it's 2022? Because it has been covered 23. Okay, This is batch 29, Monday to Friday, regular batch, 8 a.m. IST to 9:30 a.m. Okay. And this course is belong to the 50 hours online live training, LED instruction base, 2.5 months, and around 11 to 12 weeks or more than that will be required. I need 55 classes minimum. I can show you for my batch. This is batch 29, which we are going to start. You can see here for batch 28, how many classes happen. These are the batch 28. All the recordings are available here. You can see here around 65 days recordings are available here. Okay. Until and unless the course is not getting completed, our classes are not finished. Okay. We will complete one day, one topic, and we are making it green. If someone saw this syllabus yesterday or day before yesterday, something was into the green. Yes or no? Anyone saw this syllabus day before yesterday or yesterday only? Guys, let me know. Yes, no, please.
No, yes, I see. I have joined today only.
No.
So today only.
Okay. If you saw that syllabus day before yesterday, it was into the green. We are making it white because we are starting a new batch. Okay. If you miss the training, if you miss any of the classes, yes, you can come to my next batch. I'm telling again and again. No coding, no prior experience. Okay. No coding experience required. DevOps engineer, play with the tools. Some commands or some scripting will be required, which we are going to teach to you. You don't have to worry for that. No prior experience required. Okay. No heavy laptop, nothing required. Just a basic laptop with a good internet connection where you can use the Zoom, so that our communication will be good. We will help you out to create a free AWS account, free Google Cloud account for the next 1 year. Okay. That will be free of cost for you into the AWS. For the Google Cloud, it will be next 3 months. You can learn all these things. You will do all the practicals into the Google Cloud or AWS Cloud itself. No prior experience, no heavy laptop required. Okay. Because everything we are going to do into the cloud as well. Okay. And if you have any gap, a small gap, 3 months, 6 month gap, you can fulfill with our training certificate as well. Cool. Guys, I would like to take introduction for 1 or 2% here because we are running a little bit late. We have to start our technical things as well. I would like to take 1 or 2% introduction. I want to know my audience. Please raise your hand and unmute and talk with me, please. Yes, Ishatam, go ahead. Arey, you muted. Anyone? Earlier you are asking with me, right? Unmute and talk with me, please. No one? Guys, I'm audible? Yeah, Wasim, go ahead.
Hi, everyone. Yeah, my name is Wasim Ahmed Bhatt.
Yep.
I have total experience of 5+ years.
Cool.
I have worked as a customer support associate in Tech Mahindra for 3.5 years. Now I have changed my domain and I am in network security now. And along with the network security, I am very much interested in learning cloud, AWS, and I have a question like, can it upskill my like security part as well?
Yep.
This cloud.
Yeah. See, Wasim, you are into the right place. Okay. You from the customer support, you already switched the profile. It's very good. Okay. So I can give one message here from any domain to another domain. Change is also possible. Wasim, are you agree with my point?
Yeah.
Right.
Definitely.
1 point. Right. This is Wasim has given a very big positive point for us. Movement from one environment or one domain to another domain is possible. From the non-tech to technology, he already came. He is a network engineer. As I told, network engineer, you are very bounded with the technology at this point, right? You must have to come into the cloud. You will see the, what we can say, future of the networking also into this place. Okay. Plus, you will learn a lot of automation tools as well into my class. And this will definitely give a very good career growth for you. Does it make sense, Wasim?
Thank you. Yeah.
Yeah, cool. Any other person? Yeah, Mozrim, go ahead.
Yeah, because as I told you, I have started in the year of 2015. I have started my career, okay, as a
right?
in the monitoring team.
7 years monitoring only?
No, in that one, what they have done, they have moved us to like it's all game. I could say what played with us, and even it's wrong from our side also. We have not given any preference or importance for growing.
Leave it, no worries. But you are from the last 5 to 6 years, you are into the same domain, right? Networking,
Same
L1,
yes,
L3,
same.
right?
Yeah.
Mozillium, you are into the very bad place, I can say. Okay, high time for you to switch your job. Okay,
Yes, I'm feeling that hit now.
Your package is very less, I can guess it. Okay, you have to come, you have to learn the things, you have to learn the technology, you have to learn the cloud. Everything we are going to teach you, and you are into the very right place.
Yes, actually, because I'm looking such person only, even on online, as you are there, right? Please don't mind, but I have joined some of the few or 6 classes, but it's kind of like even junior techies are taking this kind of online classes, and they are earning money like anything, and they are taking.
We are not, see, my batch is not like that. My batch will start after 3 months. Okay, we are not starting every batch, every week, every month. No,
yeah.
We are giving the complete time to the student. We are getting in place. We are giving the, because if result will come, people will know us, right? You can see the example. Ritu also know from me last 4 years, and we are not here from the last couple of days. 50,000 members in our group, right? It's not a small thing, correct?
Yeah. That's what. See here, I value the person who value us actually, who could understand us. Because see, I'm feeling the heat in my job now.
Correct.
Because when the people from my team only, they are moving into different clouds and all.
Correct.
It's
Guys,
like
everyone see this success story. Okay, every 1 month we are talking. I'm talking with my old student, and they are providing the details that, sir, we reach into this place, and I feel happy. We are not starting. See, if you are already contacted me earlier, okay, we are starting a batch every 3 months, not very early. Okay, because I will complete this batch. See, you can see here, I can show you my batch 28 syllabus as well. Okay, batch 28 PPT drives. Okay, this is the syllabus for batch. Sorry. This is the syllabus for batch 28, which has been started on 12th of December. Okay, and 17th Feb it will get complete. I will take a 5 days break. Okay, then I'm starting a new batch. Okay, it's like that. And you can see here, whatever is green, it has been completed. Still some things are pending. Whoever is interested to see these 4-5 classes also, feel free to come, ping me. I will give you the link for these classes. You are feel free to join these classes as well.
Yeah.
Okay.
And because one more request, I'm not like in a hurry. Okay, if it is goes beyond time also, it's no issues for me, but I wanted to get a complete.
See, we are committing 50 hours. Okay, but you can see the batch recordings only 65 recordings are already completed. Right, we are less, but it's very
constrained to the time. It will be difficult for us also.
I don't have the constant time. Okay, I will take a 5 days break also for myself, right? I'm also a human being. I'm not a robot.
Yeah.
Right, that's really required. Okay, so we are also not in hurry. We will give a good time for our students. They are satisfied. You can see the result into this place.
Okay, because just a question, like, do you have any setup in Bangalore here?
Yep, we have a setup in Bangalore also.
Okay.
But see, after COVID, we are completely online. Before that, I was telling we are I'm a corporate trainer. I'm going into the companies. But at this point, we are not going. Everything is happening online.
Yeah.
Right?
That's
and it's not required, because you can see here in my batch, students are from UK and US as well. Okay, see, I will show you batch 28 as well. There are some students from the UK and US as well. I will show you. See, Jatin, his number belong to the, see, Jatin is from UK, right?
Yeah.
Okay, and I'm not only one person, some students from the UK, US as well. See, Canada, Mithun, Canada. Okay, see, his number is from, where is his number? 143. Okay, he's from Canada, right? So it's not, we are not bonding the things. I don't need much student. I will take only quality students only.
That's great, actually.
Yes, and I will say no. Some student, I will say that no, you are not eligible for my course also. Yes, it's like that.
Yeah, it's really nice to speak to you, Vikas.
Hi, Vikas.
Ishan, this will be the last. Yeah, Ishan, go ahead.
Yeah, hi Vikas. I'm from the mainframe background. I'm having 15 plus years of experience. I work on all flavors of COBOL, mainframe, AS400, Micro Focus, all this. And I know Linux, Unix also well.
That's
and
good.
I know services of the AWS also, RDS, S3, all this.
Cool.
I know. So is it useful for me because I'm already having 15 of
See, 15 years experience is not a big deal. Okay. The reason is you have a mainframe. Forget the mainframe. If you are already into this profile, write everything and be a manager, be an architect of one of the DevOps or cloud profile. Okay. Forget the mainframe. From how long, how many years you are already into this part? Linux, RDS and all these things?
For this, you can say 1 year. But Linux, Unix, I'm working from long back, 10 years.
So see, you can learn all these things from my classes. You can say 5 years, okay, that I was working into this profile, get a good package.
I worked in the IBM, Accenture. Then I was in England for the Royal Bank of Scotland. Then I was abroad, Saudi Arabia, worked for the Saudi American Bank and Investment Bank. Then I came, yeah.
That's too good. Okay. So see, for you, you have to be knowledgeable for all these things, right? My course will be really helpful for you. So because I have my old student also, I can say they are into the VP, into the JP Morgan as well. Okay, like you only. Okay, they were into the non-tech profile. They are managing the support or all this thing. After learning with me, they already become they are already a VP. Okay, they have to be a knowledgeable. For you also, you have to be knowledgeable for all these things. You will work or not work, doesn't matter. But if you have a knowledge, you will earn based on that only.
Okay, so for knowledge purpose, I get it.
Yes.
Good.
Correct.
Okay.
Because after 15 years, you are an independent or independent developer contributor at this point.
Earlier I was.
Earlier, right? Not now, right? You are managing the team.
Yeah.
So for you, you have to be a knowledgeable. You have to be a good guidance or mentor.
Okay.
Okay. So this course will be really helpful for you. You will see a lot of things. Okay. At this point, I can say you are known about the databases, RDS. Okay. You know the connectivity between one EC2 machine to RDS?
Not much. I once, yeah.
Correct. Okay. So it's a very less. Okay. You have to understood this all things as well. If you are talking about the RDS, you are belong to only one or you are reached to the Aura as well?
No, not Aurora. No.
Okay. Means you are on the very basics of RDS.
Yes, Postgre I was using.
Okay.
For
very basics of Postgres, right? So you must have to learn all these things. Then only you can call yourself as an architect.
Yeah, because nowadays mainframe applications were migrating to the cloud.
Yep.
DevOps be helpful for me or AWS and GCP?
See, anything is helpful for you, but you have to be knowledgeable. That's it. Because if you know the driving the car, you can drive the Honda City, you can drive Alto 800, you can drive the Mercedes as well. You know the driving.
Yeah.
Right?
Yes.
Drive the things. That's it.
Okay.
Cool.
Okay.
Cool. Thank you. Guys, without knowledge, if you will go into the YouTube or learn the things, you will be stuck with this because the main DevOps or cloud will look like this. This many tools are there and you don't know how much time you have to spend for which technology and how many days. Okay. So very important is you have to be into the proper guidance and into the proper program to understand all these things. Yes, DevOps look like this. We will take care of the coding. Okay, basics code management we will do with the help of Git and GitHub. All the code will be available for us primarily into the Python language. Okay, because this is the good language, easy language for the everyone or for primarily for the DevOps engineer. Automations happen into the Python. We don't have to learn C, Java, .NET. The reason is we are not a developer. We have to make the automations, so we will be aware about Python. This is already in my course. We will do everything on the Linux environment primarily because performance of Linux and 70 to 80% our servers are Linux. We will learn Maven as well because most of the codes are available into the Java. So we will build our code with the help of Maven. We will make our automation with the help of Jenkins tool that is known as CI/CD. We will do primarily with the help of Jenkins. Okay. And then we will deploy all these things with the help of what we can say Docker. We will make a container. We will deploy all these containers into the Kubernetes environment. We will monitor with the help of Prometheus and Grafana, and we will maintain all these things into the AWS cloud. This is what we are going to learn in the next 2.5 month journey. In a order, in a flow, not in hurry-burry, because learning is our primary concept. Okay. Cool. Now let's come into the AWS. What exactly the AWS is. Anyone knows here what exactly the AWS is? I need a one-line definition only.
It is a cloud service provider.
Yep, it's a cloud service provider. Anything else you want to say?
It is to manage our all infra environment on operations.
We can develop our infra and on the AWS cloud. That will be a correct answer. Yes. What else?
It also supports different types of services like ASPAS, SaaS.
Correct. Yes. The varieties of services, around 200 services are here. These services are divided into the multiple categories. That is SAS, PS, SS. That we will see into the tomorrow class. Good. Very good point. Any other point, guys, related to AWS? No. Okay, cool. It's a subsidiary of Amazon. Amazon is one of the big MNC. This is the part which is coming into this place, aws.amazon.com. This is the console where it's provide the services, servers, resources on their own cloud. It's a pay to use model, or on demand. We can create or we can scale our resources as per the requirement. AWS has a revolution over the time. AWS, anyone knows what's the history of AWS when the AWS came into the picture? How many years back? Around
2009.
Not 2009, around 2002. Okay, around 20 years back, AWS came, and it is popular in 2014 onwards. Okay, we are around 15 years all learning the old technology. Why I'm calling as a revolution over the time? It started their journey from the some couple of service. Right now 200 AWS services are available into the AWS cloud. How exactly it will look like? I will teach you. We have to go into this place, aws.amazon.com. I'm going into the console. I'm logging in. I'm signing in because I already have the account. I will teach you how to create an account. Okay, I'm signing in my account, and you can see here, this is the home page for the AWS. This is the home page for the AWS. What we have to learn? We have to learn these services. Here at this point, 200 services are there. You can't learn all the 200 service. As per our requirement, we have to learn it. Okay, and we will primarily focus on the compute. We will primarily focus on the containers. We will primarily focus on the database. We will primarily focus on the networking, and we will primarily focus on the security part or storage part. Top 10 services we are going to learn in our complete journey. Okay, cool. Free to join, pay only what you will use. They will allow us to create a free account for the next 1 year. It will be always free if you are not using it. Whatever we will develop it, we will have to pay accordingly. Okay, here is the detail. What exactly, how much is free? I'm passing this link also to you guys. If you have a little bit time, you can invest some time or spend some time here. What all things are free? I will also teach in my classes, not now. Okay. Yeah. Cool. Now, if I will ask you the question, what exactly the DevOps is? Anyone here who can give me the answer? What exactly the DevOps is? Go ahead. It's a very high level overview. I'm introducing the things to you. What is DevOps?
Hi, Vikas. Ritu here. DevOps means it is a development and plus operations.
Correct. Development and operation. Some part will be a development part, some part will be the operation part. Agree?
Exactly. So means what DevOps will be take care for end to end, like from starting from development to testing, unit testing, then operations part, everything, and then monitor. So everything will be take care. So
everything has to be take care with tools. Okay, don't say that you're manually doing everything. Okay?
Yeah, with tools only. We have to configure everything. So that DevOps will be take care.
Correct. Everything has to be take care. Yes, we are involved in every activity. Okay, that's why I'm telling anyone can become a DevOps engineer. 1 point. Okay. We will perform all the activity with the help of tool. We have a set of DevOps tool, which we are going to learn, and this all activity happen automatically for us. So very rarely night shift will be there. Everything, this tool will work into the night shift for us over the weekend. We are the person who will configure this thing, and we will get the salary for that. And all the appreciation will come to us that it has to be configured by the DevOps team. But tools at the end, they are doing the activity for us. Cool. There are multiple teams available, primarily development, QA, and operation team. These are the three primary team available into the software development lifecycle. What exactly the software development? Any of the software. Let's take an example. There is a clock. Okay. If you want to develop this type of clock also, multiple teams will be required because development team will write the code for this clock. QA team will test everything is correct or not. Operation team will maintain this clock is running very good into the production environment or not. Agree with my point? You are able to see small clock in my desktop here in the down, right? Every software development life cycle required multiple teams, primarily development, QA, and operation team. Okay. When developers, testers, IT operation team work together to develop a software and keep their process smoothly, faster, which team will come into the picture? The DevOps team will come into the picture, and he will help us, guide us, and all these things happen smoothly or faster with the help of tools. That team is a DevOps team. Okay. I would like to give some more example. Developer has written the code. They created a var file or jar file. Okay. They given this var file, jar file to the operation team to do the deployment. Okay. If by any reason, any issue happen into the operation team, which team is responsible to fix it? Give me the answer, please.
Developer.
Why developer? Developer will say my code has been written properly. It is working. Why should I fix it?
Due to some dependencies and libraries.
Dependencies and libraries. Operation team, they have given a document. You have to follow the proper steps. Developers are not responsible if any problem happen into the production environment. No. Because they are already working into the writing the code. If they also have to work over the weekend, what is the difference between development and operation team? Your answer is not correct. Anyone else? My question. No, your answer is not correct. Anyone else? I will ask my question again. Developer has written the code. He developed the var file, jar file, or binary file. Okay. Everything is working into the development environment. Everything is working into the QA environment. As soon as this code went into the production environment, it breaks. Whose responsibility to fix it?
DevOps engineer.
DevOps engineer. No, DevOps is also not working into the production environment.
Operation team.
Operation team. Yes, operation team is responsible because it is not working. But operation team don't have that much knowledge, that much access.
There is always a conflict between them.
There is always a fighting between them. Developer is telling, why should I work into the operation team? Operation is telling, this is not my code. I don't know about the coding. I don't know how this deployment works. We are very handless. Okay, please help us. Okay, this thing happen into the real time. This is a wall of confusion. What DevOps engineer will do? He will come into the picture. Whatever, and what is the problem? Is the code is a problem or operation team is a problem? Where is the problem here? They don't have knowledge. We can't fix that. But where is the problem? Why it is not working? It is working into the dev environment. It is working into the QA environment. Why it is not working into the production environment? What is the problem?
Tool problem.
Problem is with operation team.
No. It's not a blame game, please. What is the real problem?
Actually, the problem is collaboration between dev and ops team.
Okay, one maybe I agree, but there is something else. This code is working into the development environment. This code is not working into the operation environment. What is the problem?
Maybe they are using different versions of software.
Correct. Kavita is giving the correct answer. Kavita, repeat your answer, please, again.
They are using the different versions of software.
Correct. Means infra is a problem or environment is a problem where they are deploying the things that the environment is not very much comfortable to run this code. That's the problem. Code is very same every environment. Okay, development, QA, everywhere the code is very same into the production environment. If this is an environment level problem, first environment has to be very correct, and then the code will not get break. We will create an environment, we will create an infrastructure, we DevOps engineer will create all these things and give it to them with the help of automation. So that the reason is, guys, please mute yourself. Hardeep, mute yourself who is not talking. So that our infra will be very same, the development as well as QA environment plus production environment will be very same. If the same code has been deployed anywhere, it will work. Are you agree with my point?
Yes.
That part we will do. We DevOps engineer will do that part. Development environment, QA environment, production environment, or any environment which has to be developed, it has to be developed by the one person, one team, that is a DevOps team. So that code will be also work. That's the thing. Okay, cool. That has to be fixed by the DevOps engineers. Okay, now you understood the responsibility of DevOps little bit.
Okay. Yeah, because small question. So what DevOps engineer will do in this scenario?
In this scenario,
just
we will create an infra for the development. We will create an infra for the we will create an infra for the production. All infra same, all code. It has deployed with the same. It has deployed with the same logic. Correct.
Okay. Will they develop any jar or files?
That is a second. That is a very small thing, and I'm talking about the complete everything. We will be on mute. We will develop everything, all infra, all applications, everything same manner, and everything is very similar into the production environment. That's why everything will work. Make sense?
Yeah.
Cool. Good. Okay. What exactly the DevOps engineer is? I will tell you. DevOps is a solution for all the development operation related issues. We are the person, we are the team. If any team is facing any problem, because they are facing the problem related to infrastructure, okay, environment, we will create everything with the automation. Same thing we are giving for the development, same thing we are giving for the operation team as well. Same code will work for sure. Okay. DevOps will help us for the communication, collaboration, and integration. If they are fighting with each other, development team has a very high knowledge, operation team they don't have the knowledge for the same technology, right? Operation team is also expertise into the relational monitoring part, right? So that is a really good thing. Development has a knowledge into the coding part. We are the DevOps engineer who has a knowledge of infrastructure, okay? And we have a knowledge for the technology that we do have, okay? DevOps is a shorten the cycle. With the help of DevOps, the software development life cycle. What exactly this is? This is the software development life cycle. We will shorten it. We will make it faster with the help of tools. Okay, cool. DevOps is a streamlined solution for every IT as well as development as well as operation related issues. We have a ready-made solution. With the help of tool, we will provide it to the multiple teams. Now you got the picture what exactly the DevOps engineer is. Yes, no?
Yes, because.
Cool. Yeah. How much the AWS engineer got it? Okay. If you will search only for the very basic certification, AWS Cloud Functionality certification, okay, you can see here their basic salary is also very high. Okay, leave it. Very small thing. Okay. What is important? Do we get a job after learning this thing? Do you want to see how many jobs are available for AWS and DevOps profile into the naukri.com? Let's see here. I will opening this link. Okay. And you can see here around 42,000 openings are there. Okay. Also another 42 current openings are there in the today's date. Okay. That is for complete multiple different profiles or multiple different experience. Okay. 5 to 8 years, 3 to 4 years, 6 years, freshers also 3 to 8 years. Okay. Lot of different freshers also are getting a job. 0 to 1 years, 4 to 7 lakh package, permanently work from home. This is opening into this company. Okay. And 7 reviews, 4.5. This is also looking what exactly we are going to teach. All these openings are there. Around 42,000 openings are available at this point. And how many we need, guys? How many we need?
30.
30
members are there.
Okay, 30 jobs is okay, but this is very less. Right? One person need 1 job or 2 job to get a counter offer. 3 job to make a counter offer. Yes?
Yeah.
Cool. So we don't have to worry for the openings. There are lots of openings. I'm only talking about the naukri.com. There are lots other websites also there from where you will get a call as well. Okay. Those who are not talking, please be on mute, please. Okay. Cool. Plus, after learning all these things, we will be into the multiple profile as well. Okay. Yeah, we can go into the DevOps engineer profile. We can go into the cloud engineer profile. We can go into the SRE, cloud computing, admin. Plus, we can go into the Google Cloud DevOps, AWS DevOps, Azure DevOps, multiple different profiles. We can go into this. This all are the different roles or different profiles where we can make the career. Okay, if I will go to, guys, can you help me out with any of the job I would like to open in front of you, and I would like to see that what they are expecting and what is available in my syllabus, just a comparison. Can anyone help me out with any of the job? Can we take a highest job where the salary is good? 8 to 18 is okay, or can I take more than that? 14?
More than that. Yeah, more.
Okay. 15 lakhs package. Okay. They are not disclosing. Let's go to the 18 lakh package wala thing. Okay. Where is that? 4 to 14, 18 lakh package. Okay. Here is the 18 lakh package. What they are expecting. Let me open this. Okay. This is the hybrid. Okay. Pune and Hong Kong location. Okay. DevOps candidate with knowledge of CI/CD and cloud. This is the primary thing, which is our syllabus is already there. We have a complete project of CI/CD as well as cloud. No worries. They are looking for the person Unix, Linux, and Windows support. If you are from the support background, this is also good for us. They are looking CI/CD, DevOps, SCM tool, or Ansible Git. Okay, that is already in our syllabus. What we can say, SCM is nothing but a Git. Okay, here is the Git where I am mentioning the keyword SCM. See, source code management. This is the full form, short form for the SCM. Okay, we are talking about already this thing. I'm going here. They are looking SCM tool and Ansible and Git. Ansible and Git is already in our syllabus, which is available into this place. Okay, where is Ansible? Here is Ansible. Okay, this is Ansible. Cool. They are looking for the Splunk, which we have already teach, Grafana, that we have already in our syllabus. They are looking for the CI/CD as well. They are looking for a little bit scripting as well. Okay, which we have already available in Python. Okay, debugging and support related things. We are every day we are doing the activity. We are debugging the things. That all things will also be available. They are looking for the OpenShift, Kubernetes, and Docker. OpenShift is an open platform. Kubernetes and Docker, we are already learning into this thing. Monitoring experience and everything. Maven, they are expecting everything. Whatever they are expecting is in our syllabus for sure.
But what about code flash, Artifactory, udeploy?
See, it's not like that every person will get all these things.
Okay.
If you will work for the company also, you will not work for all these tools. Right? See, artifact, we do have the artifacts. Okay, I will show this into my PPTs as well. You don't have to worry. Okay, we do have the artifacts as well, which I am not mentioning into the syllabus because I can't mention everything over there. I will show you. Git artifacts and CD. Okay, I can't share everything over the website, right? Artifacts are already there. If they are expecting that thing, that also we are already teaching. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Right. And I can't say that 100% you will get it everything. Okay. Because 100% you will not get it. But if you know all these things, that's more than enough. You are apply and you can crack the interview. It's only for one, not one job. Okay. There are all other openings also. You can see here what exactly primarily they are looking. Cloud development, CI/CD, Terraform, AWS, and APIs. Primarily they are looking, and there is a walking also there. Walking on 18th Feb in the Noida. Okay, so what they are expecting, this is the walking detail, leave it. Okay, what exactly they are expecting? They are expecting the this all experience, and this is the skills they are looking. Okay, AWS, GCP, we are learning both. It is into the hybrid cloud. Yes. Okay, plus they are looking for the projects. They are looking for the monitoring overall infrastructure. That also we have. Okay. And they are not looking any primary thing. They are looking for the good communication, attitude, soft skill person. And they are looking for the Terraform, CI/CD, Docker, Lambda. Yes, this is already there in our syllabus. That's why I'm telling guys, openings are there, lot of opening. We only need a good package. That's it. We only need a good knowledge. If we will have a knowledge, we will get a good package as well. Cool. And you know Stack Overflow? I hope you guys heard about the website Stack Overflow.
Yeah.
Right? What is that? One line answer I need it. One line answer I need it. What is Stack Overflow? Stack Overflow is a website where all the codes related solutions are available. Developers are discussing that. Cool. They have published one article where the salary for the different profiles. In the US, highest package is coming for the DevOps profile. In the UK, highest package is coming for the DevOps profile. In India also, highest package is coming for the DevOps profile. In Germany also, the highest package coming for the DevOps engineer. All these different countries, highest package is coming for the DevOps profile. That's why I'm telling you must have to learn this part as well. Make sense? Yes or no? Yes or no, please.
Yes.
Cool. Guys, if you have any question, any query, feel free to send a mail on my vikas@vjsub.com or vikas@clouddevopshub.com, any of the email, or you can feel free to message me on our WhatsApp as well. I will be very happy to respond to you. Okay, if you have any query anytime. Cool. We do have lots of success stories as well, right? Which I was telling in starting that our students are getting selected. I can open my WhatsApp. Okay, here is my WhatsApp. If you will just see with the congratulations, CONGRA. Okay, you can see here. See, my students are getting the call. Okay, you can see here my students has get the call for the Infosys very recently. Where exactly it is, on which date, you can see here on the 4th Feb, students are getting the call for the Infosys as well. Lots of students get the call for the Infosys as well. Okay, this is one thing. Secondly, some students are getting a job as well. Okay, see here, one of my students has cleared the certification as well, AWS certified DevOps engineer. Here is the detail for him. His, what we can say, his certification, candidate ID, everything, he scored 801.11 as well into the AWS certified DevOps engineer exam as well, which happened on very recently. Okay, where is the date? On February month itself. Okay, you can see here in the month of February only he got selected. He got, what we can say, he certified the exam as well. Okay, one thing. If we will go a little bit up, okay, where exactly it is, let's come to the batch 27. Okay, I'm coming to the batch 27, BATCH/27. Okay, and you will see how many students are getting placed. I'm just typing it here, CONGRA. Okay, and you can see here Parth. Okay, what exactly happened? He told that I got selected in a Fidelity as a DevOps engineer. Very recently, he got a job into the Fidelity as well as a DevOps engineer. Okay, all the congratulations here as well. Okay, let's see something else. CONGRA. Okay, you can see here how many congratulations are here in this group. Means lots of students are getting started, placement is happening into these groups as well. Okay, and see one more interview, Utkarsh and Meghna. Sir, make a story on the Meghna and group. Utkarsh also, I will show you the Utkarsh as well, where he got it. See, congratulations are happening from the starting. You can see here what this is telling. This is Utkarsh. Okay, what he's telling, sir, I attended 3 interviews and got selected into the 2 companies. One is into the Capgemini, one is into the KPMG, and another in the TCS. Just happened some couple of days back only. Okay, so this all are happening into my real time as well. We have a lots of success stories which are coming from the previous batches as well. It makes sense? Yes or no? Cool. Yes, no. Yes, no, guys.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can we take a 5-minute break here and we will continue our AWS or cloud computing journey in next couple of minutes. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Yep.
Sure.
Let's take a 5 minute or 10 minute. How much is good? You can say. This time, can we take a 10 minute? Because we have to go for next 1 hour again with the practicals, with the theory, right? Let's take a 10
Yeah,
minutes.
fine.
Okay.
Yeah.
Please be back in 10 minutes.
Sure.
Yep. I'm back, guys. What about you?
Hi, Vikas. Will you provide the recording of this session?
Yep, we will provide it to you. Yes.
Okay. Okay. Thank you.
It will come to our YouTube channel by evening. Is that fine?
Good.
Yep. Cool. Guys, time is up. What about you? Everyone is back? Advat, Vikas, Chinmay, Kavita. Raise your hand, please. Yep. Cool. Okay. I can see 4-5 students are already back. What about others? Kavita, Kiran, Pankaj, Naresh, Rudra. Cool. Good. Okay. Yep. If you will see here, our today's agenda, team introduction, we have did it for some 2-3 students. Okay. Learning path, what we have to learn it, what exactly the training overview we have to provide it, what exactly our roadmap. Our roadmap is available in our website. Must follow, guys, if you want to become a cloud or DevOps engineer. Okay. This is the roadmap which is really required to become the cloud and DevOps engineer. Okay. Plus, I have given a very high level what exactly the DevOps is, very high level what exactly the AWS is. Okay. We haven't touched anything yet. How many how many openings are available into the Naukri.com? We have seen it around 40,000 openings are there. Now, what is pending? The big picture DevOps tool demo. Let's come into the practical directly. Let's see what we can achieve with the help of DevOps tool. Yeah, guys, you can raise your hand down. It's not required at this point. Okay. Whenever we will talk, you can bring it up. Yep. Cool. Okay. So what I'm doing it, I'm parking this for our AWS classes, not now. Okay. I'm coming directly to our big picture or our cloud computing thing. Okay. I'm adding this sheet. Okay. Before going anywhere, what exactly the data center is? Can you guys give me the answer? What exactly the data center is? Anyone here who knows what exactly the data center is?
Data center is, we can say that it is a physical building where lots of servers are available.
Yes, storage devices are available.
Networking devices, routers, switches.
Correct. That place is known as data center. Guys, if you ever see a small room in most of the companies, there is a small room that they are calling as a networking room or data center room. Yes, this is a big part of big picture of the what we can say a data center. Okay. Before going anything, let's understand the thing with the approach. Okay, or with the scenario. Let's assume you are working in one of the company and you get a requirement. You have to create a website like CloudDevOpsHub, like this website. You have to create it. Okay, you have to create this type of website. If I will ask with you only the questions, what all things will be required, guys, to create this type of website? And yeah, go ahead, please. Developer
HTML,
HTML, developer will be
CSS,
required. HTML, CSS will be required into the dev part.
JavaScript.
Completely agree. Okay, JavaScript will be required. .js.
Yep.
Okay, that will be a front end work. You have given the answer related to the front end. Correct? UI will be.
Yeah.
I agree with your point. Developers will be required. How many developers will be required? Any idea? 1 or 2? At least 2 developers. Is that fine?
Yeah.
Chalo, I agree. What else is required, guys? To achieve this type of website, I want to host it on one web server or into a machine like that. I need an answer from you guys. Go ahead, Naresh. Everyone, please. What all things will be required? This is a coding part. Yes, code will be available with the help of developer. Yes. What else?
Testers.
Can you repeat it? Testers. Okay, chalo. Testers is also required. Chalo, fine. One tester is enough. What else? Only developer tester. Website will not be up and running. Man, you have to up and running this website. What else will be required? Backend is also required.
DBA.
No, I don't need a person. Okay, leave it. I'm interested in
builder like that we can use.
What?
Planner, the estimation cost of
Leave it, man. You are still thinking on a very high level. I come to the backend. I need a virtual machine. I need a server. I need a technology. Come into that part, please. Guys, I need an answer related to the technology.
Need to design a framework.
Correct. Design a framework. Someone, Ria has given the answer. Domain and hosting will be required. Cool. I'm writing domain and hosting. What else? Give me the technology answers. Virtual machine will be required. Yes or no? Web server.
Web server.
Correct. Web server will be required, where you will install any of the web server. Any web server name, please.
Apache.
Apache or anything else.
VMware.
Tomcat.
Apache, Tomcat, Nginx, any web server will be required. Correct. What else will be required?
Database.
Database, DB will be required. Chalo, okay. What else will be required?
Networking is also required for connectivity.
Okay, networking infra will be required. Cool. What else will be required? Think it, guys. Think it. Give me the answer.
Storage.
I don't want to store anything into this website. Leave it. Storage is also not required. Or if you want to write it, you can store here also. What else? Guys, think it. Give me the backend answers. What else will be required? We need a virtual machine. We have to install web server inside it. And I have to do some configuration and some HTML website may run. Yes or no? To make a virtual machine, what all things will be required? Can you break the things related to virtual machine now?
Operating system.
Operating system, very good. Yes.
Then storage.
Storage is already there. Don't give a repeated answer.
Okay.
What else will be required? From somewhere we have to purchase a virtual machine. It can be hypervisor or it can be from cloud. Yes or no?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Yeah, cloud.
Any of the cloud provider we can take it. It can be AWS, AWS or GCP or Azure, anywhere. Okay. Yes. What else will be required? Guys, think it. I'm helping you to think. If you will think, then only you will able to scenarios answers. We are here for the learning, right? Yes, right. Guys who are not talking, please keep on mute. Give me the answer, please. What all things will be required to create any of the website? This is my question. And this question is not tough. It's a very simple question. If you want to come into the IT. I'm going to develop this all things in the today's class. That's why I'm asking this question. That's it. I feel some more things will be required.
Setting the environment.
Environment setting means some admin type of person who will do the environment setup, right? Correct. Cool. What else? Deploy the code. Okay. Deploy the code. Okay. Chalo. That's also fine. Deploy the code into VM so that this will be visible, right? Agree. What else?
Testing.
Testing. It's okay. Testers will be there. He will do the testing of this code. That's okay. A monitoring will be required. MONITOR, that all looks good or not. That has to be done by the admin person only. Chalo. I think you guys are okay. This much things will be required at least. How much will be the costing for all these things to create any of the website? How much will be the costing for all these things?
Like hosting a website, they will be.
Advait, give me the direct answer. How much amount will be required?
Depends on what requirement.
Vikram, give me the straightforward answer. How much amount will be required? Naresh, go ahead. If your hand is up, give me the answer directly, please. Ramya, give me the answer.
Around 1,000.
1,000.
Yeah.
Which developer will work for you in 1,000 rupees?
I'm saying that domain and hosting.
Okay, this is 1,000 rupees. I need an overall cost.
Okay.
Guys, give me the answer. Be fast. 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 50,000, 10,000, 2,000, anything.
2 lakhs.
2 lakhs. Okay. Are you guys agree that at least 2 lakhs will be required?
I think more than that, if there is licensing.
Advait, give me the straightforward one. Yes, no. No, I haven't understood.
10 lakhs.
10 lakhs. Okay, chalo. Okay, what else? Anyone want to say anything?
To have our own web server, we required more, I think, like kind of
We
data
don't have
center.
any our own. We don't have anything at this point. We are empty. We have only knowledge. We don't have any. Chalo, I would like to give a contract for this 2 lakh person or 10 lakh person who has told this part. Guys, how much duration will be required to design all these things and give it to me? Mustaq Ali is selling in 10,000 rupees. Mustaq, tell me, in 10,000 rupees, I will give a contract to you. How much time will be required for you? Guys, give me the answer. Be fast, please.
3 months.
3 months. Okay, chalo. Anyone else want to say anything?
I have my own domain and hosting. I sell all the services also.
Pankaj, my question is how much time will be required to develop all these things? This is my question. Leave the coding part. Okay. Leave the coding part. We will directly copy paste the code. Coding part is not required. What all things will be required? These all things will be required for me. How much time
Just
duration?
1 hour.
1 hour. Okay. How you can do it in 1 hour? Can you give me the answer?
Just buy a domain hosting.
Okay.
And if you are going to hosting, obviously everything will be there. No need to have Apache or anything. If you are going to own root server, then we have to install everything. And everything is the command.
Then you will not be a DevOps engineer. You need a web server on all these things, right? Because this has to be run into the server.
Agree, but most of the server now they are giving these services, right?
Okay.
If we have our own Linux, that means root completely we are buying with the root.
I need an infra. Yeah, I agree. Pankaj, I absolutely agree with your point. Yes, we can do it 1 hour. I need a little bit infra also from my side. In our own premises or in our own cloud, which has to be very secure. Now give me the answer, please.
On cloud.
Yes, in our own cloud. On our cloud means AWS or Google Cloud or Azure.
Any cloud service, even digital hosting also there.
Correct. Yes. Mustaq, unmute and give me the answer, please. How you can do it in 1 day, please help me out.
In everywhere, AWS also they have the package. This we have to plug it.
Chalo, Pankaj, help me out. We have the AWS account. Where is the package and all the things? Help me out. Which package you are talking about?
You are asking to install the AWS, right? On AWS?
Yep.
The web service, right?
Yes, web service. Yes, I want to create a one web server into the AWS. Yes, help me out, please.
You have to go to EC2 instance.
Means you are talking about the virtual machine again, right?
Yeah.
Correct. Okay. Yes, you are going into the same approach. I agree with your point. Okay.
Something like cloud repository are there that we can deploy.
Cloud repository is different thing. Cloud repository is different thing. Chal. Guys, some people are telling it's a amount will be required. I agree. This we can do in a couple of minutes only. Okay. These all things we can develop one of the web server into the couple of minutes only. We need a little bit knowledge into terms of DevOps as well as cloud. Okay. First, I will take the help from the cloud. I am taking the help from the Google Cloud. Okay. I'm going into my Google Cloud and I'm creating a virtual machine. Okay. How to create a virtual machine into the Google Cloud? We have to log in into the Google Cloud, as definitely AWS, so we will learn in our syllabus. Okay, we don't have to worry. I'm going into my extra thing. I'm going into my Google Cloud. The URL is console.cloud.google.com. I'm going into this place. There is an option, create a virtual machine. I'm going into this place and there is the option VM instance. Okay, means I can create a virtual machine into this place. Virtual machine creation is not a tough thing. I'm going into the create instance. I want to give a name here, any of the virtual machine name. I'm giving a name as today's date, which is Feb 11. Okay, I'm giving a name Feb 11. As someone already told it, I need an operating system. If virtual machine will be required, I need an operating system as well. Yes, I need an operating system. I'm choosing the operating system, which is the most popular operating system available into the market. That is a Ubuntu. Are you agree with my point? And some students are telling about the storage and DB. Yes, storage, 10 GB storage, I'm taking it. So I'm taking this part as well. Where is the storage part? Yes, storage DB. Storage will be here, which is of 10 GB. I'm taking it. Okay, means storage part I have completed. I'm taking care of the virtual machine, and in the virtual machine, I'm putting the operating system as well. So this part is also I'm making it. Okay, and I'm just selecting it. Some people told it networking or internet related thing. Yes, I'm allowing the internet as well. I'm making the networking. I'm choosing this two option. HTTP, HTTPS, networking, traffic related things. I'm doing it. And as soon as I will click create, my some infra will be ready into my Google Cloud. My one of the virtual machine is getting ready. Okay, cool. Means some part I have done it. Okay, let's see into the step-by-step thing. Okay, come to the sheet. Okay, I would like to develop all these things. I'm coming into my sheet. I'm coming into the big picture practical at this point. I went to any of the cloud. I went into the Google Cloud. Okay, I'm creating a virtual machine. Okay, means step 1 and step 2 I have done. Are you okay with my point? Are you agree with my point?
Yeah.
Everyone, that I have created the virtual machine also. I'm good. Now some more steps are there. I would like to, as some infra or some app virtual machine also have to do the setup, right? So I'm installing a Docker, which I was telling. Okay, I will give you the answer why we are installing this thing. I will take the code from the internet. Fifth step, I will take the help from one of the web server. Okay, web server, which is a Nginx, and I will configure my website with that. So step 3, I will download the Docker. Step 4, I will download my website, or I will download my code. Okay. Step 5, I will configure this code because this is a HTML CSS code. I will configure with my Nginx website and I will run it. And step C, I will verify it. Is this working or not? These are the 6 steps which I am going to perform in front of you. Okay. At this point, what we did, we have went into the Google Cloud. Let me write down all the steps here in a proper way so that you will understand in very easily. Okay. Step 1, go to the Google, any of the provider. I went into the Google Cloud. I performed the activity for you. I created a virtual machine. I given a name Fab11. Okay. Step 2 are done till now. Now my step 3 is I have to log in into this virtual machine Fab11 and I have to install Docker. Let's do that part. I'm going into this. This is my machine is ready. The answer is coming in green. The option is coming into the green, means it is up and running. How to connect it? I'm connecting to this machine with the help of SSH option. SSH means it will get connected with number port 22 and I will be landed into this machine. Okay, my keys, everything is happening automatically into here. It will take some couple of seconds and this activity will get performed. Okay, means I will connect it to this machine with the help of port number 22. Let's wait. Very first time I have connecting. Yes, I have connected. Vikas is my account name. Vikas is my account name. Okay, and with this account, I have connected to the machine. That machine name is Fab11. Yes, I have connected it. What is the next step I'm telling? I have to become, because I want to do some activity here. So I can't do with the direct my user. So I'm becoming a root user at this point. I become a root user. I'm typing the sudo -i command. I become the root user. Now I have the administrative access. I can perform the activity in front of you. Now I'm running the another command. The command is apt get update. Anyone knows what is this command? What will happen with this apt get update command? This is one of the Linux command. apt get update. Okay, if you are not aware, I'm here. As soon as I will run this apt get update command, what will happen? All the packages available into my virtual machine operating system will get updated with the help of this command. This is the best practice. If you are taking any of the machine, if you are taking or running any of the machine, it has to be get upgraded. Okay, so what I'm doing it, I'm just updating my all the packages into this machine. it will reach all the security related, or whatever the packages are required, it will get upgraded into my machine. As a best practice, this is one of the activity we have to perform for before doing any operation into any of the machine. Now, as per my requirement, I would like to install a Docker. Chalo. With the help of this command, apt install docker.io. This is the command I will run, and Docker will get installed in my machine. After that, I will run docker-v command, and I will verify that Docker is up and running or not. Before that, I will just run docker-v command at this point, and I will check it, any Docker is there or not. At this point, it is telling Docker is not available in my machine. The beauty of Linux is, if something is not available, he will give the command itself to you that it is not available. Run this command, it will be available. I'm running the command apt install docker.io. As soon as I will run this, it is asking, do you want to download 333 MB additional space for the Docker? I say yes, I'm typing Y and I'm pressing enter. It will take some couple of seconds and Docker will get installed in this machine. It makes sense? Are you able to understand this part till now? Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. Yes, Docker has been installed. Let me verify it again with the command docker-v. And yes, Docker version 20 has been installed in this machine. I am typing done and I am telling Docker version 20 has been installed in this machine. Till now, okay, digestible. This is step 3, 1, 2, 3.
Yes.
Everyone?
Yes.
Cool. Okay. Now, what is the requirement? Let's come back to our sheet. Okay, this is the sheet where we are talking about the coding, right? HTML, CSS, Java code. Yes, that has to be written only by the developer. They will write and they will give it to us. We will go to any website. Okay. I'm going to one of the website which is available on the internet, freecss.com. Okay. I'm going into this place. Here, I'm opening this link, freecss.com. Here, lots of HTML and CSS code is available free of cost for us. We can take anything from here. Guys, I need your help here. There are multiple SEO Maker, Sofa, furniture related website, Global, Medical Care, or Iflar, Civido, and there are lots of websites available here. Which one I have to take it? Can you please help me out? The New Life or Demon, Cycle, CA, Dance. Which one I have to take it? Can you help me out, please?
Medical one.
Medical one, this one, New Life. Can I take this one? Everyone agree?
Yeah.
Okay. As soon as I will take this one, the website will look like this. Okay. And how to download it? We can click on download. If you want to download the code into my Windows machine, as soon as you will click on download, the zip file will get downloaded here. Means code has been downloaded to you. But I would like to take into my Linux machine. What I have to do, I have to copy this URL. I'm copying the link address. Okay. And I'm going to my Linux machine. At this point, I'm typing ls and see anything is available or not. With the ls command, if any file will be available, it will list the detail. At this point, nothing is available. So ls command is giving empty. I'm typing the command wget. Wget is a command. If you want to download anything from the internet, okay, into this website. So I'm typing the command wget. I'm just typing this URL. Okay, I just pasted this URL, free CSS, and which one we want? newlife.zip file. Yes, newlife.zip will be downloaded here. It is downloading from the internet. Around 7 MB has been downloaded, and with the help of ls command, you can see New Life has been downloaded in my machine as a zip. In Windows also is same. In Linux is like this. Okay, this is the New Life. Are you agree with my point? The code has been downloaded in my machine. Agree? Yes, no?
Yes.
Okay. Now this is a zip file. What is the solution in Windows? How to unzip it? In Windows, I have to use some software and I can unzip it, right? In Linux also, we have a command. The command is unzip, unzip, and give the name of this file. I'm pressing enter and it is giving an error. Unzip is not available, means unzip software is not available. And he is giving an answer. Run this command and zip file unzip software will get installed in your machine. I'm installing the unzip software, unzip, okay, and it will take some couple of seconds, and unzip software has been downloaded and installed in my machine with the command apt install whatever you want to, apt install Docker, apt install Python, whatever you want to install, you can install with the help of apt install command. Now I'm running the again same command, unzip new live.zip file. Let's see what will happen. File has been unzipped. It's come into the HTML folder. Is that okay? As soon as I unzip this folder, zip file, HTML folder has been created for me. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay. What is next? I have a Docker, I have a code. Okay. I have a Docker, I have a code. Let's come into this place. I have unzipped this file as well. I have done with step 4 as well. Means I have unzipped the code as well. I have downloaded the code and I have unzipped into my machine as well. Now, what is the next requirement? There is a Docker command. I just have to run this Docker command. And where is my code available? pwd. Okay. My code is available into the root HTML folder. Okay. My code is available into the root HTML folder. So I'm writing here root HTML. That's it. Okay. My code is available into the HTML folder. With the help of Docker, I'm downloading the nginx web server. It will run on port 80. Okay. With the help of the single line, I'm downloading the web server. I'm configuring the web server as well. Chalo, let me show that thing to you. But before that, let me see. This is my external IP address of this machine. My website should run into this place. Let me check it at this point on port 80. Anything is working? No, nothing is working, right? I'm giving this URL also to you. You can also check it. Anything is working in your side as well on this website 36.225.251.106. Guys, I provided the URL to you. Can you check? Is this working for you? Give me the answer. Yes, no?
No, it's not working.
I need some more confirmation.
No, sir.
No, it's not working, right? As soon as I will run this Docker command, okay, I will teach all these Docker commands also into the Docker classes, no worries. But at this point, just allow me to run the Docker nginx container with HTML code. Okay, I am copying this command. I am pasting it here. Can I press enter? As soon as you will allow me, I will press enter. Can I press enter?
Okay.
Okay, still my website is not running. Okay, I'm just pressing enter. It is downloading my nginx. Okay, it is downloading it. It has configured and all done.
Because one question was here, why you didn't use Apache or any other web server?
Anything is fine. Anything is fine. Whatever you want, we can use it. I use nginx because this is the most popular web server available into the market. And my live website is up and running into this IP address. Guys, you can also have a look. Is this up and running, working for you? All the links, whatever was available into the code, it is up and running. Yes or no? Give me the confirmation. Divya, give me the confirmation.
Yes, sir, it's running.
It's running?
It's running. Yeah.
Running. What I did, I just run this Docker command and my website is up and running, configured, everything happened for me. This is the beauty of Docker. Okay, what exactly he did? He downloaded one nginx web server. If you don't know what is nginx, I will tell you. Okay, let's go to Google. If you don't know anything, I'm just typing nginx, I'm pressing enter. What exactly it is? Nginx is a web server. To run any of the web application, I need a web server. Yes, same thing. I am getting a web server from the Docker. And with the help of this middle configuration, okay, with the help of this middle configuration, whatever is available into the HTML page, whatever is available into the HTML folder, run it. Okay, where you want to run it? I would like to run on port 80. I just went into the port 80 of my website and it is up and running. This is the beauty of Docker. We can achieve all these things all these things very easily with the help of DevOps tool. Completely automation, no manual work, only DevOps engineer has to run this command. That also we will automate with the help of Jenkins. I will teach that also. But at this point, I run this manual command and my website is completely up and running. No cost, nothing. Little bit rent we have to pay for the virtual machine. And all these are the open source tool which we have used it. Someone is talking about the hosting. We have to pay a very high amount, 7,000 to 8,000 rupees for the hosting. Yes or no? You will not get free of cost. Pankaj, are you agree?
Yeah.
Right. But we get a virtual machine free of cost, pay as per use. If I will use this virtual machine for 30 days, I have to pay 30 rupees rent. And my website is up and running. Okay. This is the beauty of beauty of DevOps tool. Okay. Chalo. Let me take one more example. Okay. This is, I just took a website. You guys knows Windows 11, right? How many people already move into the Windows 11? If you are using Windows operating system, how many people already installed Windows 11 in your machine?
Yeah, I have.
One, Pankaj. What about others? Sheikh is also telling me, okay, 2% are using Windows 11. Anyone here whose hardware is not supporting to run the Windows 11? Anyone here? Give me the answer. Anyone here whose hardware is telling your i3 processor is not allowed to create a Windows 11, install Windows 11 or run Windows 11? Kiran is telling yes. Ramya is telling me. There are lots of people out here who is telling that Windows 11 is not supporting. Its installation is a very big task, right? Windows 11 emulator is available. With the help of Docker, we can run it. Okay, what exactly it is? He is telling you, run this command as an emulator. Okay, emulator which is written into the React language. Okay, I'm just writing this command here. Okay, I'm writing this command here. Run the Windows 11 emulator for the learning or for the testing purpose. Okay, it's not an exact operating system, but it's an emulator of Windows 11. Installation of operating system is a tough activity, right? It's a tough, right? If you want to install Windows 11, if you want to come into the Windows 8 or Windows 10 again, you want to install Linux, Ubuntu, CentOS, it's a tough activity. Yes or no? Everyone agree with my point?
Yes, yes.
Right? It's a tough activity. It will take half an hour, 1 hour will be minimum required, right? But with the help of Docker, you want to see how fast it is. Chalo. As soon as I will run this command, something will run on port number 3000. Okay, let me check anything is already running on port number 3000 or not. Go into the same URL. Okay, go into the same URL, same IP address. Okay, and I'm just checking in 3000 port, anything is running. At this point, nothing is running for me. What about you? Can you also check it? Anything is running on port number 3000? Can you check it, please? Guys, yes or no? Can you check it? Anything is running on port number 3000?
No, nothing is.
Nothing is running, right? It's a down. Chalo. What I am doing it with the help of Docker, I am running Windows 11 emulator. Okay. And because the requirement is I would like to just test something on Windows 11. My software is running on Windows 11 or not. I'm doing it. Okay. I'm running this command. Okay. I'm running this command into this terminal. Okay. Let me know when I have to press enter. As soon as I will press enter, my Docker container will be up and running and my Windows 11 emulator will be up and running. I'm just pressing enter. Okay. It is downloading. It is downloading. Okay. It will take some couple of seconds and downloaded and configured. All thing happen. I'm going here. Let me verify it. Something is up and running in 3000 port. Guys, you can also check something Windows related to Windows 11 emulator is up and running here. 129.11 Feb, my Windows 11 operating system with the name Blue Edge is signing in and it is up and running. Can you also verify it? It is up and running for you as well. Yes or no, please. Please let me know it is up and running for you.
No, for me it's not working.
Refresh your page again, please. Check the URL
working.
properly. Check your page properly, link properly. It will work.
Working.
Yep, for one person it is working. I feel it is working for everyone. Guys, this is the emulator for Windows 11, which is running. I have run on 3000 port. You can change any of the port, but this code has been written into the React language. React support port number 3000. That's why I was also running into the 3000 port. Yes, my Windows emulator is up and running. With the help, I don't want to teach Windows 11. What I want to say here, with the help of Docker, how things are running fast, how things are very easily we can do the things. Only this command you have to understand and things are working for us. That's the beauty of Docker. And how the deployments is happening nowadays. There is no development or operation people are fighting. Nowadays, they are not fighting because everyone is running a Docker. Everything is packed into the single container and it has been deployed. If we will give this command to the operation team, they will run it and their deployment is done. That much easy the things are happening and no fighting is happening. No long deployment, nothing is happening. Everything is happening with very smooth with one line command. Is that okay? And whatever I'm doing it in front of you, yes, I did the deployment of Windows 11. You can say I did the deployment of my website. Okay, with the website name is HTML or something. You can say the Silk, whatever is the Docker website, right? We were doing this deployment of this website, New Life, with the help of Docker. Things are making smooth. Things are making faster with the help of DevOps tool. What all activities we have to do it? We have to learn cloud. Okay, because infra will be available with the help of cloud only. It can be AWS, it can be Google Cloud, it can be GCP, anything is fine. These tools are always same everywhere. Okay, if we know this tool, we can perform all this activity. This is all we have to learn to become a cloud or DevOps engineer. Are you agree with my point? Yes or no?
Hi Vikas, can you please repeat little bit after step 6 because my internet connection was goes down.
Nothing after 6. Okay, my website is up and running. One thing, and after step 6, I did the second practical. Okay, second application, which is Windows 11. We deployed it with the help of this command, and you can see here Windows 11 is up and running in 3000 port. If you are not available, I was giving this link again to you. You can verify that in the port number 3000, my application Windows 11 is up and running here.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you.
This is what I did with the help of Docker and the cloud computing technology. Yes, no. All good? Digestible? Yes, no, please.
Yes, sir.
Okay. This is my big picture demonstration. I would like to give it to you. I was planning to give it to you. Okay. Yeah. And tomorrow, in the tomorrow session, what we will do, we will start the things with the help of simple basics of the cloud computing. Okay. And then we will move into the Linux part as well. Okay. Because tomorrow is a complete what we can say the practical classes. Plus, I will teach you of the cloud computing as well as we will move into the Linux topic as well. How to create. Today, I created one machine in front of you, right? This is nothing but you can consider as a Linux machine as well. How this machine has to be created, how many other ways to create the Linux virtual machine. Okay, we will create a Docker Hub account as well, playground as well. At this point, I have created this machine into my Google Cloud. You don't have the Google Cloud account, so I will help you out with a free Docker account, which without credit card, without anything, you can create and you can learn the Linux there as well. And in the tomorrow overview, we will start learning the Linux as well. We will see at least 20 to 30 Linux command as well with this all activity with the practical and theory. Is that okay?
Yeah, because I have a doubt question. Like, can we create a AWS or GCP account without any debit or credit card?
No, man, it's not possible.
So, no. I mean, I somewhere I read that AWS Educate is a platform where we can.
You can, but I will not suggest you, because they will allow for you for 1 day or 2 days. Okay.
Okay.
If you need it for 1 year, free of
Hmm.
cost, just provide. They will charge you only 2 rupees for the verification purpose, and they will return you. One second, they will return you this 2 rupees also within.
Okay.
Okay.
But I have a little fear, like if I forgot to stop something which is running.
No worries, no
so
worries. That
it will.
also we are teaching it in our classroom. You don't have to worry. We will create a budget alarm of rupees 10 rupees or 100 rupees. If your account reach billing till 10 rupees, you will get an alarm, or you will get a notification in your email as well that your bill has been reached 10 rupees. And that we will also teach you. No
So
worries.
will there be a policy of auto deduction of amount if somebody has
Auto debited, yes. But see, for the 1 year, it's a free. Okay, for
Okay.
1 year, it's a free. Means if you're forgetting, let's assume you forgot about the EC2 machine. Okay, EC2 machine. If you will go here, AWS free tire console, AWS free tire. Okay, if you will go into this link, 750 hours is already free for you. Okay, per month. Okay, 750 hours per month. If you will go beyond this, then only it will be chargeable. Otherwise, it's not chargeable. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Cool. Yep. And someone was telling, can you send me all this code? Yes, definitely. This all code PPTs are for you guys only. I'm pasting this into this chat as well. You can copy as well. Okay. And for our student, we will give this PPT into the drives, Google Drive. They will get it automatically. They don't have to collect it with me every day. What is there? We will create a new group, what we can say, new folder. And as soon as the class will get complete, I will download this PPT. Okay. And I will download this PPT like this, same PPT in a PDF format, and I will upload it there for them. Okay.
One more thing, so the query regarding that AWS was asking. Yes, there is a free, it's there without debit card or credit card, but only that would be available for the colleges.
Yes, for the student. Yes, for the student.
And that too per course, like it's $100 limit is there, you have to complete that. That's all.
Correct. That's a typical thing for the college students only. Okay, we are the working professional. So
you have to use it.
Yes, we have to provide our credit card or debit card information for sure. No worries. I will help you out how to create an account, how to save your account. That's my responsibility. Okay. But I will teach you everything. Just create this budget alarm also. Okay. We means on the classroom only, we'll perform this budget alarm. Whatever is your budget. If you are saying, sir, I have a budget of ₹1 only, you can create an alarm of ₹1. As soon as the ₹1 got crossed, you will get an email from the AWS itself. If you have a budget of 10 rupees, 100 rupees, we will create it. I will help you out how to create this budget alarm also in the day 19, as soon as we will complete our AWS, so that you will not forget to delete anything. Is that fine? Cool. Yeah, Chandra, go ahead. What's the question?
So can we pay the fees of this course in parts?
Yep, we can. No worries, man. I don't have any concern. Okay.
And what should be the initial part? And
see, you can pay 10,000 rupees also, and you can join us. That is also fine.
And when I have to pay next part?
Next month you can pay.
Okay.
Okay. Whenever you feel confident, after 15 days, 20 days, you can pay. Or whenever you will get your salary, you can pay the next amount. That is also fine.
Okay, sure. Thank you.
Yeah. We are always with a student. You don't have to worry for anything.
And one more thing. So the daily class will be for 1 hour or 1.5
hour? 1.5 hour. Okay.
8 a.m.
8 a.m. to 9:30. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, here is the time mentioned. Okay. 8 a.m. to 9:30.
Okay. Suppose we have missed the morning class. So when will you upload the recording?
Within 20 minutes. Okay. This recording will happen.
Okay.
Saved in my machine. It will get uploaded in 20 minutes automatically. We have the script for that.
Okay, so if we missed in morning, we can see in evening. Okay.
No, not evening, man. After 20 minutes, it will be available in your drive.
I got it. And one more thing. Suppose that during the course, and we are unable to ask our confusion in English. So can we proceed in Hindi for some questions?
At the end, okay, you can ask it. I'm okay with that. I know only Hindi and English, only 2 language.
Okay.
Okay, at the last part. Okay, in between, no. But at the last, if you are not comfortable in English, you can. I'm okay. Yep.
Will you consider shell script as well in this workshop?
Yep. No, in this workshop, no. But yes, shell script is already there in our syllabus.
Okay.
Okay, shell script is already there. If you are really interested to learn the shell script, I think Monday is the class. Monday is the class. Okay, for batch 28, you can come for the shell scripting learning as well.
Okay.
Yeah, but for shell scripting, Linux, you have to be very much comfortable with the Linux. Means Linux commands. If you know the Linux command, at least 50 to 70, which my student already knows, they will able to learn the shell script very easily.
Right.
Yeah. What else? Guys, feel free, ask any question. I'm okay.
What will you cover in tomorrow's session?
Tomorrow session, see, today's session will be only day 1. Okay. Tomorrow we will start the cloud computing. What was the problem? Why the cloud came into the picture? Why we have to learn the cloud? Okay. And then we will see the compute, storage, database, networking related high level things. Plus we will start our Linux things as well. 1 hour.
Will you consider any CI/CD pipeline making of that in tomorrow's session?
No, practically not possible, impossible. Okay, because everyone has to be matured that much level first.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Yeah. Vikas, one question from Ozam here. So this entire training is starting from 22, right?
Yes, correct.
Okay. Tomorrow is also just a demo session for us.
Tomorrow is just a demo session. You can consider. The reason is, if you want to come into my current batch also, you are feel free. Okay. The reason is, what will happen? You will see the project also from tomorrow itself. Okay. You will make some new friends also. And that will be happening in batch 28 already. Okay. I will show you. Okay. This is my batch 28. Okay. And we are going to start 29. See, this is just, I put this message. Okay. You can see here. Some students are already started going for the jobs as well, right? So you will get all the openings related information also for batch 28 as well. Is that make sense? Yes, no?
Yes.
Okay. Yep. Yeah. You will see how students are getting certified. Okay. All these things will be there. Yep. Go ahead, guys. Feel free to ask any question. Now it's your time. I have done with my things. Yeah, Chandra. Yeah, Sharad.
What is the highest package for a DevOps or cloud engineer having 4 and 5 years of experience? According
around
to
20, around 20, but based on your present package also. Okay.
Okay.
Means it can
around 20.
It can be 100% hike as well. I can show you some student, Meghna. Okay, 2 years experience, MEGHNA, Meghna batch 27. Okay, sorry, this message is not coming. Sorry guys, I can show in my WhatsApp. We have created the poster for Meghna also. 1 second.
But because one thing is there, like recession is going on, as you know, so companies,
recession is every 1 year, every 2 years, this thing will happen. When I was making my career in 2010, that time also the same situation. People are telling recession is happening. Every year they are telling recession is happening. Right? Share market is every day going down, but people are earning from that also.
Right.
Right? Same thing. Recession is every year, every 2 year, 3 years, they will say like that. Okay. It will not always go in up direction. Sometimes it will go into direction. But why you have to worry? If you are earning 60, 70 lakh package like me, 80 package like that, okay, then you have to worry that, yeah, they will fire you. If you are already in a less package, what will happen with us? And recession and all this thing happen into the US. Right? Yep.
Okay. Sir, one more thing I want to ask. Suppose that I think you already cleared that, but I'm asking it again. Someone is working as a Java developer, so how this course will be helpful for them?
You are already a Java developer. Let us assume. Okay. What all things you are doing as a Java developer? You are doing this activity, playing with the Git. Okay. And you are creating the WAR file, jar files. Okay.
Yes.
And you will playing with the Java Spring Boot application, or you are building the things as well. Right?
Yeah.
After that, what? After building the var file, jar file, what is your next step?
I
Nothing.
have also knowledge, some basic knowledge of Docker deployment. And
Basic, no, leave the basic. Okay. That after that, your work is completed?
No, sir.
No, yes, your work is completed, man.
No, my work is completed, but my lead is demanding some more thing related.
Okay, new
to
feature.
DevOps.
You are still doing the new feature into the development, right?
Yes.
Correct. Let me, guys, understand his requirement. Okay. He's a developer. He's writing the code every time and he's pushing into the source code GitHub. Correct? Yes or no, Chandan?
Yes,
After that, what will happen? It will create a build, it will test. All these things happen automatically. That is known as continuous integration. That has to be achieved with the help of Jenkins tool. Feedback has to be go to the developer again. If any issue happen, they will fix it. If they will bring a new feature, they will bring the new feature. They will push the code into this and it will create a build and all this thing happen. After this, the build has to be picked and it has to be deployed into the another environment. Correct?
Yes.
This course will be very helpful for you because you already have some basic knowledge. You are already a developer. You have to understand the operation parts of the, and you have to learn the tools. Okay. And then you will be the highest package. How much is your experience at this point, buddy?
1 year, sir. Only 1 year.
1 year. Okay. No worries. In the 2 year, you can reach to 10 lakh package also. Okay. I can say like that or beyond that as well.
Because what exactly the migration is in DevOps?
You want to learn everything in 1 day?
No, I'm just clearing my doubts.
Okay, let's see. I will show the migration top PPT as well. Okay, because I do have everything. Okay, yeah. See, migration. In your terminology, if you are thinking about the migration, I am telling the very simplest, easiest definition: shifting a data or software or technology from one system to another system, one place to another place, or one cloud to another cloud, or from on premises to the cloud. That is known as migration. Agree with my point? Yes. Or no?
Yeah.
Migration can be of anything. Migration can be of operating system. Earlier you are running the application into the Windows. Now you want to learn into the Linux. That is the operating system migration. Earlier, let's assume you are running the technology, you are running the code in a Java technology. Now you want to move the code from Java to Python. This is a technology migration.
Yeah.
Agree? Earlier, you are using a MySQL database. Now you want to use the Oracle database migration. Earlier, you are using on-premises. Now you want to use the AWS cloud, on-premise to cloud migration. Right? This is known as migration into the IT. Agree?
Yeah. So everywhere we will have to run a different kind of code or for that.
No,
right?
Migration is a technology or terminology. Strategies are there. This is known as 6R technologies. Okay. 6R. You are lifting or shifting, you are lifting, reshaping, lifting, dropping, retire, retain, all these things we have to understand. This is not migration. This can be achieved manually. This can be achieved with the help of tools as well. This is a migration high level overview for you.
Okay.
Okay. This has to be done with the discovery, planning, deployment, migration, and then testing and stability will happen. Cool.
Yeah, because how many classes we had spending for Python?
For Python, primarily 1 or 2. Yeah. Only 2. Because I don't have to teach you the coding. It's not my intention. Okay. I have to give you the overview of Python, how to learn the Python, what are syntaxes are the Python, how many ready-made libraries are there, how to use that library and how to use it. That's our intention for teaching the Python. You don't have to write the code. Agree with my point? You have to compile the code. You have to build the application with the help of code. That I'm going to teach to you.
Okay, so just we have a basic knowledge on Python. That's enough, right?
Yes, absolutely enough. You are not a developer. If you need a coding knowledge, then you don't have to come into this profile. You have to go into the development only. Yeah.
Thanks.
And Python, you are learning to get 5 lakh extra. If you will write the Python in your resume with 2-3 year experience, you will get 5 lakh or 10 lakh extra package. And I will teach that all things. You don't have to worry.
Yeah, sure. Thanks.
Yep. What else? Guys, feel free to ask any question. I'm here. Anything else? No worries. If you are guys, if you are really interested, I have created one group. Okay. I would like to take only interested people. Okay. So what we have created one WhatsApp group already for what we can say for 11 Fab. Okay. 11 Fab workshop. Okay. No one is here at this point. Okay. Feel free to join this group. The reason is we will communicate easily with you. Okay. I'm giving this link. I can give this link in starting so that 50 people will come, but I don't need 50 people. I need only 5, 10, 20 people only, interested people. That's why I'm giving at the last. Is that okay?
Yeah. Okay. So the link is in description, right?
Yes. No. In the chat, I have just given you guys. Copy this link. Just join with your WhatsApp number. Okay. I can see one people has already joined with 154 number. Okay.
Just a minute, because I'm not getting that option to join from here.
You have to.
I really wanted to join it now only.
Copy this link in your mobile phone. Okay, or just open your browser and paste it. If you have a WhatsApp in your laptop, you will able to join it. I can see 2-3 people has already joined it. 4 students, 3 students. Yes, guys, join it.
Yeah, is it showing mine also there?
I don't know your number, man.
974305979. Okay, fine. I see it's visible in my group in WhatsApp.
Copy this link. Yeah, copy this link. Keep it with yourself. If you are not now, just take it with your mobile phone. Yes, Shahlu has message into the group as well. Yep. Yep. Cool. Please join it. It will be easy for us tomorrow. I have to provide this recording also. I will provide you into this group. Yes, Mazarin has joined. Please join. Whoever want to join us. Yep. Cool. And guys, if you are really interested to bring your friends also, bring into the tomorrow session. It will be helpful for them as well. Okay. And you can pass this recording to your friends as well if you want. Yep. Guys, I'm pasting this link again into the chat. Whoever has missed it, it's already into the chat. Just take it. It will be helpful for us to communicate easily. Okay. Yeah, guys, some more questions. If you have anything, feel free to ask. I'm here. I'm always with my student to talk. Yep. Go ahead, guys. Anything else?
Because what is the best tool to create CI/CD? Because there are various tools.
Yeah. At this point, I can say Jenkins.
Yeah.
Okay. Open source, freely available, and most popular tool used in every company.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Sir, class code for Google, please means what do you mean by this? Class code means whatever we have discussed. That one you want? This code? This code you need? Samir. What do you want? This one you want? I'm pasting into this place again. Guys, I can see only 10 people has joined. If others are also interested, please join. It will be good for us. Okay. I'm giving this link again to you guys here. Okay. I'm giving this link also in the chat also if you want to bring your friends as well.
How we will get the recording of this session?
I will give into this group itself.
Okay.
One message for me. Only one message for me. Okay.
Sure.
Otherwise, it will be available in our YouTube channel as well by evening. Okay.
Oh.
This is our YouTube channel, Cloud DevOps Hub. You will see the recording into this place itself. Okay. All the some batch 28 recordings are also here. Batch 27 recordings also here. How much students have learned with us in 30 days. Okay. This is one day. Okay. Day 1. After 30 days, how much you are learned. This all details also available here. Guys, I want you to see these videos. You will see that how students are getting confident. They are presenting the things in front of everyone. Their confidence you can see, and you will be also one of them. Correct?
Yes.
Cool. Yep. And some batch 26 recordings also here, batch 25 some recordings. First 3-4 days class recordings are only, nothing, not full recordings. Okay, some basic, some 3-4 days class recordings are available here for all the batches. Okay, this is 11th month back. And see some success story also, you will feel confident as well. Yeah, guys, go ahead, ask the question if you have anything, otherwise we will wind up for the today's session. And we will meet tomorrow again and with the day 2 agenda, okay, which is cloud computing as well as the Linux basics.
Because do we need to learn all the cloud platform or only one?
Man, you know the driving. If you know the driving from the Alto 800 also, is that fine? You can drive the Honda City as well. Right?
Okay.
You will not say, sir, I will learn the Tata car or can I learn the Maruti car? Your question is, sir, can I learn all the cloud? No, one cloud is enough. Everything is very similar. Concept is very similar. Backend is Linux only. So why you have to learn everything? Okay. If you understood one, you can compare the another cloud as well very easily.
Okay.
Right? You will, your question is like, sir, can I learn Tata car or can I run the Maruti car? You want to learn the car driving? Drive from, learn from anywhere. Everything is same. Chalo, I will make it very simple. Which laptop you are using?
Asus.
Asus. Okay. And I'm using the Lenovo laptop. And if I will give you the Lenovo laptop, can you use it with Windows 10?
Yeah, I can.
Yes, because it's a backend is Windows, right?
Yes.
Everything is very similar. Only the button is different. Where is the start button? There is the only difference. Or UI will be the different. Rest everything will be same. Keyboard will be same. Mouse will be same. UI will be, everything will be same, right? Backend is also same. These are the providers. If you know the knowledge, if you have a knowledge of anything, it will be very easy. You saw Google Cloud, how easy it was, how easily I created the virtual machine. Right? This is very easy. Google Cloud is very easy. That's why I'm taking some, starting from the Google Cloud. I will pick the concept. I will move into the AWS as well very easily. So that you will not get rejected because of, you know, only one cloud. You, in your resume, it will be a hybrid cloud, AWS plus Google Cloud. Yes or no?
Yeah.
AWS, so definitely I have to teach you for all these days. Where is all these days? Okay. This all days, I have to definitely teach AWS to you. Okay. In this 10-20 days, I will not touch Google Cloud or any other cloud. I will only use AWS. Okay. But some other day, I can use Google Cloud because I can use Linux. I have to teach Linux. So Linux, it will be everywhere same. Linux is same in AWS, Google Cloud, Azure, Alibaba also. Correct? Yep. Yes, guys. Any question? Anything else?
No.
Cool. If nothing, we will wind up the session for today. Tomorrow, same time, 11 a.m. IST. The recording will be available in next 1 hour. By afternoon, it will be available. The group recording link will be available into the group. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Thank you. Thank you. Bye.
And feel free, if you have any question, feel free to ask with me. Okay. Thank you.